TPR.
Hey, so this podcast started. I'm on camera. I'm on camera. This podcast started about 8 years ago. It's 2024. I started in 2016 towards the winter. When I left, after I left, I think it was Patari. फिर पता नहीं क्या हुआ, बहुत कुछ हुआ. But it was started because Rizwan Pehलwan से दोस्ती थी, and as I keep telling people, we were sort of famous on Twitter, and people were sort of interested in what we had to say. And I thought maybe we'll do a funny podcast वगैरह कुछ. But through all this time, we've never ever been in the same city. What's this sound? We've never ever been in the same city, and it's always been remote. Until
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to TBR Pod episode number. It doesn't matter.
212. It is 212. 212 episodes के बाद. Finally.
Yep. We're in the same city. We're in Dubai together, which is different.
We're doing a podcast together. That's
Yeah.
what it's starting.
All three of us.
Yeah. इसके बाद हम में से कोई एक मर जाएगा. Because that's
क्योंकि अभी हमें यहाँ इकट्ठा होने में 10 साल लग गए. एक साथ in the same.
When did you leave?
In Dubai. I left in 2015, so like 9 years.
9 years. Yeah.
Wow. So, welcome to Dubai, guys.
What a journey it's been, yaar. It's like the song I need to bring down. Oh, Chulak? Well, I chopped it. Yeah, that's okay.
It has been a crazy journey, वैसे.
Yeah.
Wow. We're all grown up now. We're all booढ़े.
Okay. Yeah. We're all booढ़े.
We're all booढ़े now.
Various stages of trying to hide our pates.
Yeah. I'm just trying to be comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, to support my arms जिनमें अब रोज दर्द होता है because I'm so बूढ़ा.
Really?
Yeah.
किस तरह का दर्द होता है?
Yeah, it's
just how we found out Rizwan is gonna have a heart attack.
ये वाला मैं पूरी तरह उठा नहीं सकता और ये वाला अभी लगता है शायद तकिए के नीचे ज्यादा दे रहा है. So
you can't be the rock. Very good. No, how old are you now? How old are you now?
I am 38.
Nice.
Yeah.
एक ज़माना था जब I thought Sarkhail was like not 30 for like 8 years. I think till he was 32.
Because we met him when he was 22. This fucker.
Were you 22?
Yeah.
We met? You were in university. Possibly. Yeah, possibly.
Yeah.
Sure. Yesterday I turned 33. Yes, I went to Sarkhail.
Happy birthday, Sarkhail.
Yeah. As soon as I turned 33, I felt so sleepy. What is this? Money stopped working.
Yeah.
भाई ऐसे ही होता है अब तो. Last night I woke up क्योंकि खैर I'm in Dubai for work and Rizwan is Dubai for me. Sarkhail is in Dubai for Tagalog. तो हुआ ये कि मैं आइल में रहता हूँ. दुबई में obviously बहुत गर्मी होती है. Here everybody I'm with, all my colleagues, whatever, they are non-air conditioning. ठीक है? उसमें इंडियन भी हैं, उसमें यूरोपियन भी हैं, उसमें सब चाइनीज. And I don't understand, and they can't stop talking about how hot it is, about how they're not air conditioning people. यार यहाँ हर जगह AC है, बाहर गर्मी भी हो रही है, लेकिन यहाँ हर जगह AC बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. And I'm like,
1-2 घंटे सड़क पे खड़ा कर दो.
आज I had lunch outside. Like we sat outside for lunch.
Wow.
I wanted to get. It was there's this food court kind of thing. पीछे office के पीछे. Outdoor. Yeah, it was like shaded tha, umbrellas, trees.
Yeah.
COVID,
But it's like 44, 45 degrees.
Yeah, and they all were like so pleasant. I didn't have lunch. I wanted to die.
Oh,
I just had Paps. And one Paps I had. Everyone else was having khane. And sweats. Paps and sweats.
Plus, I think you guys must have noticed or will notice if you haven't, the amount of machhar in Dubai now.
There's
Machhar.
it's crazy.
Since the floods.
It's crazy, yeah.
So,
I've been at home because we tried to room balconies.
Yeah.
आते जा रहे मैंने
Yeah.
हल्का से खोलो.
Yeah.
My brother asked me to bring machhar wale coils from
You need to
Lahore.
bring the mic थोड़ा close. तो नीचे से पकड़ लो इस बार. Mic closer to your mouth.
Okay.
If you hold it नीचे से, I'll just go up.
No, it does.
Is that better?
Yeah, आवाज deep
मेरे भाई ने मुझसे मच्छर वाले कॉइल मंगवाए लाहौर से क्योंकि they're so expensive here. You're getting a 10 coils वाला पैक यहाँ पे for like 30 dirhams or
30?
and that is for 100 rupees a lot, which is like 1.5 crore.
Can I have some?
So I'll bring them for you.
No, you're way here. Can I-
मैंने दे दिया ना उसको, और क्या उसके घर से चोरी करेंगे ऊपर?
Yeah, should I wait until the mosquitoes eat me
He's
up?
gone holiday. He's gone.
मैं चला जाता हूँ वैसे. Yeah, there is a nanny at home.
तो फिर नैनी को तो हम राइट्स तो नहीं देते हम.
Of course,
No,
yeah.
can't let her.
Plus she's from Philippines. उसको क्या
उसको तो
rights?
आदत हो गई. हाँ.
She must be used to the मच्छर also.
खाते हैं वो लोग तो मेरे ख्याल में.
Oh.
You can't put that. You can't put that in. You can't put that in.
We have to put that.
We can't put that in.
यार
No,
मेरी बात सुनो,
no,
सच से कितनी देर तक भागोगे सब?
Yeah.
no.
But I remember yesterday, I was at some shisha place close by, because I always have to go.
Yeah.
And I saw a fucking mature. I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, I was sitting at
So
gate
the
of-
random.
Yeah, so
random. Yeah, speaking of random,
Yeah.
let's just test like this one. It's like age.
Okay.
How much do you know about what's going on in diss track world?
Yeah.
In what word?
Diss track.
Wow. So,
You know,
Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
Kendrick.
Why will I know about
Yeah,
that?
just because
That has nothing to do with age. That has to do with good taste. You know, like.
तो नहीं है ना तुम्हारे.
मतलब क्या?
Don't forget about.
हम एक दूसरे को गालियां देते हैं और उसके गाने बना लेते हैं.
हाँ बचपन में जब रज़ान टूपाक सुनता था ना.
हाँ,
वो सही था. वो सही था.
देखो हमारे लिए वो शकूर भाई थे.
अरे, शकूर भाई की बेइज्जती हुई है. हाँ,
Yeah.
हमारे भाई ने स्टैंड अप किया उसके लिए.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
हाँ I think the latest गाने में
Yeah, he's like because
जिक्र था.
Drake used AI to rap a verse Tupac
In a
in a song.
response
In a
song.
song, yeah.
Because एक टूपाक का fake गाना भी आया था ना. AI song recently.
That's different. But
That's different.
so Drake sang a song. I think he wrote a song with the lyrics, everything,
Right.
and he did a verse with Tupac. He did a verse with.
As part of his Kendrick response.
Yes, he did. There was a Tupac verse. There was a Snoop verse. And
What?
then there was a Drake verse.
What? The Snoop तो जिंदा है. Snoop will hate him while being alive.
Happy, bro.
Yeah, holy shit.
Yeah. So that.
But
happened.
what, achha, so as a person who's not really into this, why are they dissing each other?
It turns out Drake is
No one likes Drake.
a shady bitch. And nobody likes Drake. And Drake has turned into a person जो कि मशहूर हो गया. फिर बहुत सारे
क्योंकि उसका लंबा बहुत है.
apparently I
How
haven't
do you
seen
know that? How do you know
वो
that?
तो देखा ना सबने.
Not me.
मैंने
No,
देखा.
not me.
Honestly मैंने देखा.
मेरे सामने आ गया था.
But you look
तुम
for
कहाँ
it.
थे?
Instagram पे सामने आ
This
गया.
guy.
It was on fucking
This guy
Instagram.
knows nothing about the rap. He knows how big his thing is.
Yeah, Drake भाई कहता है.
Drake, hey.
Yeah, bro, मतलब.
So that's why you support Drake for this?
Yeah, I stand with Drake.
Sorry, Drake.
खैर, तो yeah, हुआ ये कि apparently Drake is a shady bitch. And
Culture, culture.
सारे लोग जो हैं उसने ढूंढे, बहुत सारे लोग उनको, he brought them on tour with him. Obviously he's a very big artist. वो लोग भी मशहूर हो गए. Then I think what he did was he started using those people to become like part of this songwriting camp
Okay.
for him. So yeah, and a big thing in rap is obviously you're supposed to write your own song and
Yeah.
stuff like that. तो Drake भाई ये नहीं करता. बहुत साल से allegation थी ghost writers ये. फिर उसको he also started like stealing other people's girls or like being shady about them. Like Weekend को apparently Bella Hadid का scene था Weekend में. Drake ने गाने में उनको lyrics डाल दी about Bella Hadid. A$AP Rocky और रियाना का सीन था. Drake ने रियाना को लाइन मार दी.
He fucked with his bitch.
Yeah, इस तरह की चीजें बहुत हुई. And
Yes,
so there was a lot of like, but he kept getting more and more famous. So I think his increasing fame kept him insulated.
Yeah.
But, recently उनका fame थोड़ा नीचे हो गया. Kendrick भाई जो है
I wouldn't say fame. The Chinese हुआ. He wasn't going down in fame. He was still
अच्छा.
one of the most famous artists.
Sure.
But it's just that
People got sick of him.
people after that, like that record came out,
Yeah.
everyone who has hated him
Yeah.
has come out of there. Like
Yeah. Well,
no one knew Metro and Future hated him. Future and
they've done so many songs. एक साल.
yeah, and Metro was still playing his song, Drake songs at concerts,
Shows. Yeah.
shows. So I
खैर तो Kendrick भाई जो है वो बहुत अच्छे रैपर है. Kendrick भाई को बड़ा पता भी है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा रैपर हूँ. कभी कभार होता है कि Kendrick भाई जो हैं वो गाना कर देते हैं कि मैं बहुत अच्छा रैपर हूँ. तुम सारे तो shit rapper हो. नाम ले.
Yeah.
ठीक है. पहले उन्होंने किया था on somebody else's song. Future का था I think Control.
yeah, that's
On that Kendrick came और तहलका मच गया. Because after like many decades this thing had happened कि somebody was calling for me. कुछ लोगों ने response tracks किए, कुछ लोगों ने असर किया वहाँ पे किए. Drake की I think सारी Drake का भी कुछ tangential भी था and Drake is not like one of the best. तो Drake ने को पंगे शंके किए. I don't know what the latest trigger was. Just
I think so. The initial trigger was that J. Cole and is it recording?
Yeah.
J. Cole and Drake had a song together,
अच्छा.
and then J. Cole said big three.
Oh, and then Kendrick
And
Lamar
then
के
like,
big three कौन is just big me.
It's big me.
हाँ, फिर J. Cole ने response डाला.
J. Cole said, nah,
फिर J. Cole ने माफी मांग ली. Concert में जाके नहीं यार वो मैं
So like in all of this, music really doesn't feature anywhere.
Rap is always more
Yeah.
lyrical.
No, as in music and as an art form.
हाँ.
It
But all the
has
beef-
lyrics too, of course.
all the people happening.
But rap is way more lyric first. कि आपने कितनी अच्छी lyrical like
हाँ,
bars,
poetry,
flows.
bars, flow, reference कितनी अच्छी डाली.
Double entendres.
Double or not
Triple entendres.
Again, and what I feel is acha, somebody would say it's not. Yeah, you know, that's a.
हाँ वो
Yeah.
गलत बात है लेकिन rap is a thing.
Yeah, you would say that, right?
हाँ,
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's.
But
So
hey,
ये जो बस जो फटे चल रहे हैं, this is something that people
I
love.
think it's a big deal because it's celebrities fighting in public,
Yeah.
which they don't do.
But also because
And also
rap-
Kendrick बहुत हरामी है. और Drake की उसने बहुत ले ली है. You know बेटे का नाम लेके और सब कुछ करके. And Drake does not understand कि वो छोड़ो क्या कर रहे हो.
but the thing with rap battles is never just stick to music.
Yeah,
it
sure.
gets serious.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Because like
Because then they die. Drake के घर पे फायरिंग हो गई.
Weekend
Wow.
got a fighting movie.
Weekend घर पे फायरिंग हो गई.
Weekend got a fighting movie.
Oh shit.
No, Weekend's manager's house. Got shot at.
Oh.
His security guard got shot at.
Right.
And,
Drake's security guard got shot.
so Weekend's security guard got shot too.
Achha.
Manager's security guard got shot too.
Yeah. Because हैं तो ये
Yeah.
सब starting from the poor ना, not Drake.
Yeah.
But उनके दोस्त तो हैं फिर in bad places. तो yeah. Anyway, that's the rap update.
So like, Pink Floyd movie. Must be.
Pink Floyd को फटा था कि Pink Floyd का आपस में फटा था. Their
आपस में था.
fucking main singer went insane. The उसका
Yeah.
guitar teacher replaced him.
So what I learned after the distract season,
Yeah.
Fleetwood Mac.
Yeah. You didn't know this?
I didn't know this.
Wow.
You don't know this?
नहीं, I don't
Fleetwood
know.
Mac wrote this against each other in the band,
Two men,
Oh,
two
shit.
women, everybody sleeping with each other,
and they're writing songs about each
being in
other.
the same band.
Oh,
And
wow.
then
So Dreams is a diss from Stevie Nicks to what's his name? The guy.
fucking shit.
The guy.
the guy.
The female name is female
Bill
name.
Hader plays him on a SNL.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Lambu guitarist. Yeah. All their songs
All
are
the
awesome.
songs are like this is.
And like romantic this is के बड़ा अच्छा हुआ यार to find somebody.
Yeah.
वो बराबर में खड़ी का. She's also here
Yeah.
performing. Yeah. So
Yeah, that's
ये कैसे
crazy.
हमारे साथ हुआ है? खैर I shouldn't say this.
Yeah, what's that Noel to present?
दरबुका.
Yeah.
हाँ.
मजा
शाहिद
आया था मैं कुछ दिन पहले.
शाहिद के घर पे भी था ना.
Distract.
Yeah. चलो
हाँ नहीं, I play fairly well.
कभी नहीं सुना. हमने कभी नहीं सुना.
I posted that tiny like story of me playing the guitar.
Yeah.
इतने लोग मुझे मैसेज कर रहे हैं, ओ ये कब से?
Now you have to do right. If you drop like a reel of you playing guitar every week.
Diss track. Like,
Yeah. Fuck you.
what the fuck? Oh god. No,
And falsetto.
I don't know, sing about
I hate the way
other
you
photographers.
अच्छा हाँ सही है. But anyway, what are we doing now in Dubai?
Eating food.
Now that we're here.
Yeah, I have nothing to do.
Well,
Rizwan
Rizwan's
was-
driver.
Rizwan was just in Dubai.
I was in Dubai 7 days ago.
Wait, let me tell you why he was in Dubai. Because I got you
Because Akhil finally
I will
after
that.
yeah 14 years after knowing this fucker, actually 12 years, he got me a wedding.
But how long was the business running?
Literally, you did my
Well, nine years.
You did my brother's wedding.
Acha, हाँ वैसे. Yeah.
We did.
And
I
Akhil
hired you for my wedding.
hired me for
But
his wedding.
you
Yeah.
could not
Yeah.
help me.
Sorry,
Yeah.
that counts.
Yeah,
हाँ.
so yeah.
Nee, that counts.
Shut the
But
hell
yeah, that was a very nice wedding that you got us. Yeah, it was fun. Or
Now you're Ali's driver.
Yeah, because we're in Dubai में फासले बहुत हैं यार.
yeah. मैं आ रहा हूँ ब्रो.
गाड़ी ना हो तो
Speaking of Fast Lane, new Coke track, did you hear it?
it was alright. I thought it was okay.
It was like, it's okay.
हाँ, it's like Kavish का part शुरू हुआ खत्म हो गया.
Yeah, Kavish need more on that.
Kavish ended like really
It
quickly.
was very immediate. Like,
Yeah.
3 lines maybe.
Maybe. And I think they did the music maybe.
Perhaps, yeah. And apparently Gumby's there too.
That is Gumby, right?
That's Gumby.
I don't want to
The
be
first one is Gumby.
Acha.
First is good Gumby.
But does he look old now? Does he?
I was like, yeah, what a Gumby like that.
Oh.
But I couldn't be sure.
Gumby-ish.
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 Gumby always look like Mohammad Amir, didn't
I see it.
he?
I see it.
Skinny and dark.
Long hair.
Yeah. Mohammad Amir has long hair?
He had.
He
He
had
had.
it.
He started.
But Gumby had like really long hair.
Yeah.
Super long. I mean,
He had that.
Yes.
Have you seen that TikTok recently? Who you call it a lesbian? Who you call it? You see that one?
No, I've seen the TikTok where when an immigrant family's son grows out their hair, oh my god, it's a gay criminal. There's a gay criminal in my house.
Yeah, I would say good point. Since you have TikTok,
Yeah.
I've seen the TikTok, and I think we should ask you guys a question. What's the meme that you guys quote on a daily basis?
Actually, the BBL decision.
Okay, but like, okay, forget recent memes.
Very recently.
So there's a guy that goes around asking people this on TikTok. You seen that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that.
So what's the meme you quote on a daily basis?
I have to think.
Rizwan will quote again Instagram reels की कोई meme, कोई सख्त मैले
हमारे TikTok पे देखा नहीं है वो.
वो conveniently जो जितना अच्छा हम TikTok भेजते हैं उतना वो नहीं चलता.
That is so right.
And नादिर इसको shit तरीके reels भेजता है और वो दोनों आपस में.
हाँ बस मैं और नादिर आपस में.
It is
They're the worst. The worst
of
part of
Pakistan.
Instagram. It's not even Pakistan. It's all India.
That's all India.
It's all
I
India.
don't know why you can't join us on a TikTok game group. So annoying.
I will have to reinstall TikTok to solve that. But that is so much effort that I don't want. I'd rather
I can't access half the fucking videos.
That's
TikTok
true
in
actually.
Pakistan.
Shuru
It's so weird. Yeah.
I thought Rizwan
I
was
still don't
lying.
believe it.
I thought Rizwan was lying to us.
Listen to me.
So
So I
side
don't
of
know he would do this on Hangouts also.
What?
Like we'd send him something. He's like, नहीं चल रहा.
हाँ तो
We send him something, नहीं चल रहा.
अच्छा एक सेकंड मैं क्यों नहीं देखूंगा? Like why?
It's another thing, bro. It's TikTok. Forget TikTok. I remember
second.
he doing this
The
before.
झूठ would be
Snapchat
आपने देख लिया है. That's what the झूठ would be. Yeah.
Snapchat पे यार चल ही नहीं. हमारी स्टोरी देखी Instagram पे नहीं यार स्टोरी नहीं चल रही.
नहीं चल रहा.
No. Instagram पे stories ही नहीं क्या नहीं चलती. तो मैं देखता ही नहीं.
Stories कौन देखता है किसी की खोल
What
के?
do you mean?
Like I don't browse stories. I browse reels. तो
But वो चलती है.
वो चलती नहीं है.
reels actually चल जाते हैं.
जब-
लेकिन TikTok नहीं चलता.
जब Rizwan कहता है ना TikTok नहीं चल रहा था तो एक दो दफा ना in like when we started saying I sent it to some other person and नहीं चल रहा था. I was very disappointed. I wanted him to be lying.
Hey, next day Ali is flying to Pakistan. हाँ मैं देखो. ये देख.
अपने phone से खोल के.
Alright, that will mean that you quote.
I think Basma has seen a lot of Nanaland. Well, you know the green puppet, sock puppet.
I know.
Mona.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a Canadian kids show
Right.
with hand puppets, and they were made for kids and cute होंगे उसमें, but watching it as an adult, उसमें सारे characters are fucking insane.
Is it that who's a wonderful girl?
Yeah. Wait.
ये बहुत ही niche.
You've not seen it? It's enormous.
People
Like,
went crazy making birthday cakes of that character.
birthday cakes, merch, like your vibe must be trash, bro.
Also, wait. Basma's TikTok and meme humor is very niche. It's not mainstream.
But Rizwan ने देखा, Rizwan के पास कुछ नहीं चलता.
Rizwan shows again.
Because
आ जाए
many
तो
people they cover because Palvasha and Basma. I
Yeah,
think
so
it's
see
similar.
why he got it. You
Yeah.
got it because Basma. I'm not
I
seeing.
have only the kachara coming pani pila dijiye mera gala sukh raha hai. Those things. That's what I quote every day to Palvasha. Like she's pouring water during that pani pila dijiye.
But this meme is like 6 months old.
I know, but that's the thing, right? You said old.
बहुत बार TikTok पे video वो वाला चल रहा है 6 महीने पहले.
You said old. You said not recent. Yeah.
rizwan जरा देख भी लो उधर वो रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है.
हाँ चल.
इसी तरह ये टिकटॉक पे भी कहता है देख लिया.
बहुत अच्छी वीडियो थी यार.
बताया वो कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll be.
अच्छा तुम ये बैठो
मिरर में देखिए
हाँ तुम फ्रेम में तो नहीं है ना जरा हाथ पाथ उठाओ अपना ऊपर लेफ्ट वाला ऐसा हाँ बीच में कवर होते हैं हम when you're doing gestures
What do you mean बीच में cover होते हैं? Like when I use
when
my
you
hand.
use your arm though
Yeah, I don't use my
No,
hand.
using that.
like
बल गया मैंने.
when you do
In case खुदा ना खास्ता.
कटवा दूँ
Definitely.
ठाकुर
So what? So the reason you asked is because you wanted to say this yourself. What is the
Ah, that's
meme?
what I didn't even ask.
What is the meme you quote the most?
Yeah, it's a disgusting horse. Disgusting.
Disgusting.
But
Yeah.
another one that very niche one I don't think people know is whose horse is that?
Whose horse is that? Yeah, yeah.
But very like, no, whose horse is that?
Yeah. हमारे वो होता है. Catch him, Terry. Catch him. Have you seen it? He has a bat in
Oh,
somebody's
yeah.
house. I think they're Irish. But yeah.
oh there's another that we keep saying at home apparently
It's an old
It's a vine.
That's-
Family
It's a
vine.
vine which
Yeah,
some
it is.
girl recently did an impression of
yeah
very well. And was like,
Think वापस आ गए.
that kid is
Just
so
वापस
cute
आ गए.
now that kid must be Sarkhel's age
probably.
yeah
Apparently.
apparently
This ring was out, yeah. You see this show?
I see sure.
It's good.
Yeah, I feel weird about Jaswin. Like he used to be this. I'm sorry, Jaswin, if you're watching this by
Yeah,
chance.
probably.
That's okay. I got it.
He used to be like this very say funny, happy, lively
Yeah.
character. Yeah, jo bhi wo tha.
Sure.
And now it's all too serious and it's very artsy over dark photo shoots and all. It looks nice what he's doing. Lekin pata nahi, it's not the same person anymore.
That's fine.
Yeah, usko चाहिए बस बंद कर दे.
Yeah. होता है. जी सर. Or do you
What are you basing this off of?
His social media.
Have you seen the show?
No, I didn't watch the
Have
show.
you seen his song that he dropped?
Earth song? Earth Day song?
Yeah.
And
So he's
and his Instagram also.
borderline having sex with you.
He's being funny. He's still being funny. He's not
But
being
just
serious.
higher budget.
But he's being
I don't
yeah.
know.
And I've seen 2-3 of his podcasts after he came back.
They were so. I saw one.
I saw one,
It was
but-
so
I saw-
serious.
I saw, yeah.
Yeah.
Which one do you see?
The pehla.
Mental health
So
issue.
yeah,
you see the one with the the two black guys that he does the skits with.
That was the one. That was.
No, that was the first one.
वही दो parts में आया था.
No, I've seen just
They
the one
did.
where some other British Indian dude
Yeah,
was
That's
interviewing him and then they go to like.
Oh, I saw it.
That's the
But I
coffee
saw the one that you're talking.
yeah, but he, I mean, the internet fucked him up.
Sure.
So,
हाँ.
I mean,
And but ये भी है ना कि अगर रिजवान को नहीं पसंद आ रहा.
yeah,
that's fine.
yeah.
I mean, Rizwan became a fan.
मतलब
when he was
मसला
doing
ये है, I
something
still
different.
love him. Like I just miss how
हाँ.
what the content used to be. You know. Yeah.
देखिए लाइफ के साथ तो आपको पता चेंज zoom in on it.
हम
Life
कितना
is-
बदल गए हैं.
हाँ. Word, yeah.
हम लोग देखो अब ऐसे
So
मेरी
you
गाड़ी
watched the
नहीं
show?
होती थी 10 साल.
I didn't watch the show. What was the show like?
It was good. I mean, it wasn't
Issues
like
थे उसमें.
issues. I think one issue was maybe his acting.
अच्छा.
I think
No, by issues I mean issues discussed हो रहे थे on the show.
yeah, it's like,
Right.
it's based off loosely based off his life and
अच्छा.
like the Sikh diaspora and
अच्छा.
the immigration. Sikh, they कहते हैं, Sikh.
हाँ.
But there were glimpses, there were moments of
Just rainess. अच्छा.
because he did like flashback skits where he's dressing up as like a baba and everything.
Oh,
And
okay.
I was just like, that was just
Right.
That's
Yeah.
nice. थोड़ा बहुत fan service.
Remember when this used to happen? That show में
yeah,
that was the feeling.
yeah. There's
Oh,
like
shit.
get it, man, get it.
Yeah.
वो नहीं दिखा
बहुत
था.
बोल रहा था.
याद है?
I didn't know where to watch the show. I couldn't find
The
it.
show was on
online.
some, like-
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so
like,
like Play
yeah.
TV or like
हाँ,
to
हाँ.
stream it illegally.
Like you stream it.
I stopped it.
not in the UAE when he was traveling.
Yeah, I stopped
Yeah,
it. I stopped
Yeah,
it.
Yeah.
And you hear everything legally.
All legal. Yeah.
How was Japan? Have we talked about Japan? We've not talked about Japan.
Hey.
Oh shit! Sanjay went to Japan.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh.
When I'm in the Chinese
I saw-
restaurant with the Mexican
I saw 2 episodes of Shogun and I was like, yep, I'm going to Osaka.
Oh, you saw it before.
So I saw 2 episodes of Shogun first.
Shogun हमने अभी तक खत्म नहीं
You haven't
किया.
seen Shogun yet?
No, I've only watched like 5 episodes.
I'm not bothering to ask
What
you.
the fuck? Why?
Because I know you're going to watch it, that's why. Because I've talked about it so many times in the chat and you've said
I'm busy.
I'm busy.
No,
You
no.
just flew to Dubai for nothing.
Yes, this is my break.
They don't believe you. all those people do not believe you.
Jatta ko de.
I've been
Yeah.
busy and my parents died. I was taking a break.
Still?
It's
Died
only
to
been
be
12 months. Okay.
Okay, anniversary. Is that why we're here?
Mom की हो गई.
Parents anniversary के लिए हम दुबई में मिल रहे हैं. Nice,
Just to celebrate and.
What do you mean celebrate? What was that? This guy is very distracted with parents.
So something that I might cut from this episode. Speaking of your mom passing away, which was obviously very sad. One thing that Rizwan does not do, which a lot of people do, and obviously सबकी अपनी बात है, but I'm going to be, and this is me being an asshole in this thing. किसी ऐप ने भेज दिया मैसेज योर मदर और समथिंग, सम मदर्स डे मार्केटिंग कुछ है, ट्विटर पे कहानी, हे ब्रांड, some people have lost their mothers, please be careful about this and mind. And I was like, क्या सोचे? Message your mom unless she's dead or like marketing that. Some random person, I don't know.
Oh my god.
And I was like, bro, why does everyone have to be sad if your
Was
mom
this
passed away?
somebody Desi? That you
Yeah.
saw?
This is-
The other extreme of this.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a similar thing to call it an extreme, but
No.
like when my parents passed away, और मैंने दूसरों का भी देखा है, and you know वो like I was updating on Instagram,
yeah,
Facebook,
yeah.
कि funeral है,
Yeah.
blah blah, and then people start sending in condolences.
Yeah.
या लोग नीचे comment कर रहे होते हैं Facebook
Yeah.
में. You have all the rip, अच्छा, Ilvir, and all of that. And then there are people who are like, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, शुक्र है मेरे माँ बाप अभी तक जिंदा हैं.
What?
माँ बाप से बढ़ के इस दुनिया में कुछ नहीं. माँ बाप अगर चले जाएं तो आपकी जिंदगी खत्म.
On your post.
I've seen this on my sisters actually, not mine. My sisters
Thank God your parents are dead.
workmates वगैरह दे रहे, हाँ, बस अल्लाह ऐसा गम किसी को ना दे, अपने दुश्मन को भी ना.
Bitch, why do you hate me?
Yeah. What are you talking about? Like, I
Our
don't know.
parents are mine are different. My parents are big different.
That's
They
what
would
I've
never
seen a
die.
lot of desis do on all kinds of bad
That's
news.
so weird.
पाकिस्तान में.
Yeah.
Like कोई वो कराची में मगिंग हो जाए, शुगर हम लाहौर में रहते हैं. क्या मतलब है यार? ये होता तो लाहौर में भी है, but you know what I'm saying, right?
Yeah. Yeah, or always होता है, they're not even like good at, like, you know, they kill people accidentally.
Yeah.
Practice बहुत है.
Yeah.
But no, इसका सही तरीका ये होता है कि जब इस्लामाबाद में मगिंग होती है ना, तो I tell all my Ireland colleagues who are from Islamabad, देखा
Oh,
how it's feeling.
How's it turntables?
Just how I'm talking about unrelated stuff, but just how I saw a lot of desis kind of celebrate the floods in Dubai.
Oh yeah. Karachi.
बड़ा ये अपने आप को समझते थे,
Yeah.
लेकिन कुदरत जब कुछ कि तो why are you
And
celebrating?
like also like इतने पैसे इतना कुछ बना लिया, बुर्ज खलीफा बना लिया. लकड़ी में.
तो क्या बुर्ज खलीफा में बाल्टी है, उसमें भर लेते पूरा पानी.
Burj Khalifa ने बादल को कैंसिल कर दिया.
Nature.
But then they got rid of the water also in like 2 days.
2 fucking days.
In Karachi, when it floods, like especially when
It's still flooded, I'm sure.
but like in Karachi, जब बारिश होती है,
No,
might be.
वो वाला. Pre-mic निकल रहा है इसमें.
यार तो ऑडियो फाइल नहीं लिया.
Karachi में I remember it rained close to Bakra Eid. एक तो Bakra Eid पे तो is fucking mass murder.
तो खून की नदियां हैं.
It was literally bro, खून बह रहा था गलियों में. Like
साथ ओजड़ी फिर रही है.
हाँ उसमें and then wait for the
ओजड़ी
Christians
को
to
इसकी जबान में क्या बोलेंगे?
entrails, like guts and shit.
Oh.
These are ओजड़ी
Innards.
specifically ओजड़ी का भी नाम होता है ना कुछ?
Awful.
Waffle.
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 O-double-F-A-L.
Yeah, awful.
Yeah, it's a thing.
It's
like
pretty awful.
Tis.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then obviously you have to wait for the Christians to come clean it up. पकड़ नहीं सकते. This is a big thing in, and that we can't.
That's so bad.
Oh, fuck. अच्छा, हाँ तो
Yeah.
I stand in solidarity with everyone.
With everyone? So
In
no,
general.
nobody.
Everyone in general.
Yeah.
Whoever needs.
So I went to Japan.
हाँ.
तो स्टोरीज ना आप पहले पहुंचे आप यहाँ से आप चढ़े. Do you want to tell the story of how you got the tickets?
No, not really, no.
That's okay.
क्या free मिले tickets?
You got
My neighbor,
big discount?
I saved his mom's life.
How?
She was choking and he was...
Mouth to mouth.
No.
अंदर
He was choking. So
निकल.
I opened the door to take an Amazon package. So this is my door. उसके पे बाहर speech से आई है. I swear to God, it felt like she was like possessed. She just walked into our house. I'm like, I'll get you water. I gave her water. She in the back a few times.
निकला.
अंदर चला गया अंदर.
Sure. Like this motherfucker was nice.
Yeah. So I just gave her,
Yeah.
I don't know if she was joking or something when they're down the wrong way.
Sure.
We gave her
That's
cold
what joking
water,
is.
gave her some yogurt, gave her a can of 7-Up.
कुछ और भी खिला देते उसको.
But the
पहले कम नहीं था उसके
I
लिए.
saved-
what the fuck?
I saved his mom's life.
Nice.
And then that was like availability.
तो availability देख के सर
So, I flew to
I close to mouth.
I flew to
Saka.
Too close.
I flew to Saka.
Saka.
Yeah. Football player.
Just to see what?
Yeah. Saka is a football player. There's a football player named Saka, no?
Saka, yes, Saka.
Yeah.
Bukayo Saka.
Because remaining.
Can you take it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you went to Japan.
Japan.
What was your
Did you like Japan?
Oh, fucking love.
Yeah.
I think so. Before I got married, I think these are the two places I wanted to go. Iceland and Japan.
Oh fuck! Now you can get a divorce.
Yeah. Or another wedding.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm saying before I got
Do you
married.
do divorce photography?
हाँ.
Does anyone? You do? No one's offered yet.
मतलब अभी तक मांगा नहीं किसी ने. I won't say no.
Have you done any
शादी की photography?
second marriage photography?
हाँ.
You've done second marriage? No,
नहीं, as in
simultaneous.
at the same time
Yeah,
with two
wife
wives?
plus
नहीं.
one.
Not yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
But second time around.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll talk about this later.
अच्छा, so
Back to
Japan.
Japan.
Let's get back to
So
Japan.
we want to go to two places. अब इसकी दूसरी शादी हो सकती है.
Yeah, so Iceland and Japan. And
Iceland तो हो गया तो
Iceland
4 or 5 years ago.
2019.
Yeah.
And then this was the big one. And first trip with Zeba.
Yeah.
Oh, हाँ.
Vacation with Zeba. Where
Yeah,
we
yeah,
done,
yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
nothing with our family.
Yeah.
So, and I honestly, right.
Very difficult. Right.
Oh, she's a baby. Yeah.
Yeah, she's baby, and also, I think we turned into it into a bit of a
Psycho.
tablet.
Acha.
Not tablet, iPhone baby.
Oh.
Sure.
Just so that we could have some
Oh, you did that on the trip.
on the trip. Yeah,
Right.
तो खैर है.
yeah, I know we did get it.
Yeah,
we're
like
fixing it now.
it's part of life now.
But like,
Also 2 हफ्ते में कितना पक्का उस पे असर हो गया? अच्छा. She's like, oh, where was this before?
yeah,
Yeah.
why haven't you hiding this from me?
अच्छा.
But anyway, it was a good learning experience. I still no regrets with stuff. Obviously, I was Zeba at the start, but Japan, man, what a place.
तुम क्या कहते हो? जानती हो? बच्चों की गुड लगा रही थी वो तो.
Yeah, so she's doing this thing when she चलते
Oh my god.
घूम पे मार देती है घूम के scratching, and then someone walking. No,
What the?
you don't walk here. She's very vocal about her. She's like, don't come near me. Don't look at me.
Yeah.
Don't even look
That's
at me.
good.
Yeah, so-
She's
so
what, 2 years old?
She's turning 3 in
3
2 hours.
9 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
अच्छा.
So yeah.
Terrible twos चल रहे थे ना उसके
Terrible.
ऊपर.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Terrible.
Northern birth खत्म.
Adam,
Yeah.
उसके बाद school.
but also a lot of cute moments in Japan as well.
She's turning 3. इसका मतलब अगस्त से स्कूल जाएगी.
No. Next year.
Oh, 4 साल की जो हो. तुम्हारे यहाँ जाने लगते हैं. I was going to school
Yeah.
since I was 3.
Well, she's going to nursery, so like. Because nursery movies come.
I started KG1 when I was like 3.5.
Yeah, same.
Your parents were trying to get rid of me. That's why.
Yeah, so I'm trying to be smart, bro. देखो कहाँ तक मैं आ गया.
You can't.
इधर ही था.
Podcast कर रहे हो
इधर ही था, मैं इधर ही आ गया. But yeah, अच्छा.
What's
I think also I was
what's like the 3 good things?
Highlights
to
for
eat?
that.
So I obviously did we did a lot of research on Japan.
Yeah.
I would advise everyone any place you want to do research for TikTok. is
Right, yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
TikTok is
cannot
very-
tell you. I have like folders of
Yeah.
Japan videos. of TikTok.
Yeah, Palvasha is the same
It's
for
crazy.
research.
I didn't search anything else. I used exclusively only TikTok.
Yeah.
So yeah, landed in Osaka.
Okay.
Osaka we did 2 days in Osaka. First day, 1:30. So
Oh,
we
yeah.
didn't know we packed like light jackets. Whole like
No.
तो सारी रिसर्च कर ली वेदर नहीं चेक किया
हाँ, बताओ,
Bro,
बताओ,
weather-
क्या- क्या
weather-
temperature
weather
था?
center
और
is
टिकटॉक पे ये नहीं बताया हम लोगों ने तुझे
This is all my करीब है।
No, actually,
What day वो मौसम क्या था temperature?
it felt like 3 degrees, 4 degrees.
Felt like 3.
Yeah.
Temperature क्या था?
I don't know what temperature. I don't know. About,
I thought you were going to say like 15 or something.
15-16
Yeah. Because इतनी सर्दी
listen,
लगती है।
it snowed.
Oh, it snowed.
Oh,
It did
it
snow.
snowed.
It did snow.
I saw
know.
snow for the first time in my life.
That's really the first time.
I've
Snowfall,
never,
yeah.
I've never seen
I've seen
snowfall.
snow on the ground.
Felt snow you've seen.
Falling down the first time.
I've never seen snow in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
बस
On
मम्मी
the
अच्छा I'll say the story because she's probably going to listen to this episode. जब बस में आयरलैंड आई थी ना तो बस में मरी भाई बहुत बर्फ होती है
नहीं देखी.
जब वो नहीं आई ना apparently नहीं देखी bro she went out of like the random बर्फ
Yeah.
she went out वो तस्वीर who the
Yeah,
fuck
but
is this पेड़ू अच्छा मैंने भी कभी नहीं देखी थी आयरलैंड आगे
Yeah.
So did you do the same thing?
no I was just like I took pictures yeah I wasn't like excited
Yeah.
running around in circles
I defend this on this.
Yeah, cool हो गया.
I understand this.
and
I would do the same thing.
थोड़े साल ही हुए थे मुझे पहली दफा बर्फ देखी but in that moment I was like what
Barf, snowfall, seeing snowfall is crazy, man. It's like otters coming in. Wow.
Okay.
Anyway, so it was cold. It snowed.
yes
So clearly it must have been very cold, right?
yeah
First thing I did, we went to Osaka Castle. They down to Shogun. That's where we start. Shogun is set in Osaka.
Osaka used to be the old capital
Osaka was good 2 days there.
yeah
Um,
खाने खुने को खाए
so just so yeah, we did one thing which I regret.
Oh.
Which I've said. I've said on podcast before. I would never do.
Sushi.
Is eat this before.
Oh. But that's okay, kabhi
No,
kabhi,
it's
yaar.
not. I'm sorry.
What did you
I'm
eat?
against.
I had desi food in Tokyo
yeah.
वैसे several times because the colleague I was with had no sense of adventure
हाँ.
तो मैं 3 हफ्ते था उसके साथ हमने कोई 12 दफा उस तरह का
Yeah, but you're there for 3
ये खाना
weeks.
was not
We
bad
said you're there for 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Fine. I'm there for like
2 weeks
10 or 11 days
Okay.
maximum. Yeah.
sure
So I'm not going to.
but that's like 20
What did you eat?
So first day we landed, and I think Zeva was pretty difficult and tired and jet lag वगैरह हुआ था.
हाँ.
The nearest thing was Pakistani restaurant, Ali's Kitchen, and we got TPS
Oh,
for fucking guy.
I don't know
तो
He-
लड़की
he-
ऑफर किया उसको?
He underground small place. You know how
like मुंह के करीब
you know how tiny these are.
yeah everything small
Downstairs, yeah. Wait, he had a PSL match on the TV. Like, I told him. Like, Islamabad was playing, I want PSL.
Islamabad.
Order some biryani, etc. कहते हैं, अच्छा पाकिस्तान से बच्ची क्लासिक ये देखिए मेरा ब्लॉग टीवी पे ब्लॉग लगा दिया उसका जापान का कि मैं जा रहा हूँ इधर उधर ट्रिप किया मैंने इधर कहता आप कितने दिन इधर है मैं कैसे इतने दिन इधर जाए आप मैं कैसे ट्रैवलिंग विद द चाइल्ड कहाँ माउंटेन में हाइकिंग कर रहे हैं आप फिक्र ना करें जाए इधर ये देखें दूसरा ब्लॉग he put his YouTube channel, his vlogs on. हम खाना खाएं.
I love
This
this
guy
guy
is like, bro, you look at him. I'll show you his photos.
They find
we'll link his vlog
No, it's not. Also, he lived in Dubai. Apparently, his dad was in the police. He lived in Abu Dhabi.
his one knows him
His dad retired with the police, and apparently he ran away from his dad because he was a problem child. He ran to Japan.
all the way to Spain you've heard
Wow.
that TikTok speaking of TikTok you've heard that thing na Sumimasen
So he was saying,
Come to
"Come to Japan."
that's a Pakistani motherfucker
Fuck off.
because he
It
ate
is.
Is that
Yeah, yeah.
Japanese cook guy?
I don't know
That Pakistani cook who's
it
who's
is
Japan.
it is somebody who I thought it was Pakistani because I sunte we were saying John
On the Tokyo Drift.
Yeah.
and then I found him yeah
No.
and I found the video and he's very typical Pakistani
No.
Yeah,
like,
he's,
he recreates the thing and then he's like let me know any other proofs
I've
you
saved
want I'm
that
like kya proof de
And I've saved the audio to use. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use it now.
Sumimasen
You think money can buy happiness?
yeah
Sumimasen.
hey Ali के vlogs are
Yeah, so that's
Ali in Japan
the first thing. First thing I ate over there was Pakistani food.
okay biryani
Biryani and salad. The most
खाना सही था
not really.
उसका हरामजादे vlog ना बना खाना vlog बना जा रहा है तुम खाना तो सही बना ले
You know what I realized? I never hit record. You don't fucking break my legs.
vlog कर लेते हैं
अब कर लेते हैं.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
All this while it's been working. I think this is a great experience. Well, the mics, the audio has been recorded from the cameras.
Yeah.
That's also fine.
I
But
guess you guys can
This
hear us
guy,
much
bro,
better
who the
now.
fuck is this amateur, bro? Who the fuck is he?
I'm sure you can all hear us much better
Much better now. The
Yeah.
sudden
Oh my
increase.
god!
This was we were testing the mics and,
We were testing you
I just
guys.
tested the mic by throwing it down.
and
It's
they
working
were
fine.
they're working.
चल रहा है? अभी भी चल रहा है
We
मेरा?
were
हाँ,
testing
चल
all
रहा
of you
Yeah.
ये किसी
Oh
और
my
का हाथ
God.
चिप हो रहा है
नहीं
माइक से
पकड़ना छोड़ दो ना अपना.
वो वाला हाथ
It's
चेक
a
करो ना
bit
जिसमें
sweaty.
पकड़ा हुआ था
It's a bit sweaty.
है ना
I do
क्यों हो रहा है
change.
ऐसा
I think it's plasticky, the cover, and we're holding it tight because we're not used to holding it. Yeah.
Do you want a wrapper for that? do you
दुआया के लिए.
ये put the paper around it.
खैर.
If you smell
तुझे भूल जाना
अच्छा तो
अली का चलो
did
at
you have
least
any good Japanese fucking food
at
Oh,
least was
yeah.
still at the start of the Japan trip when I started recording.
Yeah.
बड़ी देर बाद में देखा टाइम 000 क्यों I was like oh fuck.
Oh my god! What a waste, Ali. What a waste.
एक और कर लेंगे कोई बात नहीं ऐसे ही
नहीं।
होता है लोग ऐसे ही सीखते हैं.
सब कुछ रिपीट करेंगे
We'll go to-
डबिंग करते हैं
Guys,
When are you? What day are you leaving? Sunday? Monday?
20
I think it's a
May.
Monday.
What is that? It's a Monday.
Yeah, the weekend को we'll go to Sarkhels and we'll record there.
I can do this every day.
एक mic हम ज़ेबा को दे देंगे.
Bro, I need you guys to come because I'm gonna get you guys Bannu will beef pulao.
And I have to get your things. मुझे पता नहीं
What
था
things?
आज मिल रहे
What things?
I got you some things.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, for your
Aw.
birthday, bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shit, I have to get something now. Okay, sorry.
What? It's not his birthday.
I know, but like you know,
Oh, इसकी mom की death anniversary.
Yeah.
Which was
And
we're
dad-
celebrating.
Bring
We're
me a new
celebrating-
mom. Can you? Make sure she's alive. Bro.
Step it up.
why did you? अब क्या बंदा क्या बोले आगे यार?
बंदे कहेगा जी सर. हाँ सर.
जी सर मिल जाएगा लीड टाइम थोड़ा सा
I was in Karachi and I remember it's your birthday and मैं कहीं
चलो,
खाना खा रहा था
thank
वहाँ
you.
से कुछ नजर आया मैंने पकड़ लिया
क्या लेके आए हो?
खाने की चीज ला
शीरमाल?
Xander से कुछ लाया कुत्ता.
यार कोई
नहीं
मिस्टर बर्गर?
नहीं लाया खाने की चीज I'm just
अच्छा.
kidding.
Oh shit, really?
खैर.
Anyway, so there are two things in Abu Dhabi that I really want you guys to try.
Okay.
Uh,
Banu beef pulao.
Bannu Gul beef pulao.
I fucking live in Pakistan, bro.
Have you tried Bannu Gul beef pulao in Pakistan?
BGBB.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't
Well,
tried.
it's really good. I think we should try
That,
it.
you know how every wo place starts using the same name?
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
Bad
That's a big
Kadai,
Lahore
Bad
thing.
Kadai everywhere.
Mamu ke kebab.
Banu beef pulao is like in every gully now.
Yeah, well, this is really good beef pulao. I think you'll enjoy. And second thing is Antonia's pizza. Antonia's, not Antonio's.
Okay.
अभी चलते हैं मैं तो कहता हूँ.
Antonia's pizza.
So what did you
So
have?
yeah, I had a lot of Japanese food.
Yeah.
Did you have sushi?
No, I didn't have sushi obviously because I don't like sushi.
Oh, you don't like sushi?
I don't like sushi. And I
Zaka
think
also doesn't like sushi?
no, she doesn't mind.
अच्छा.
I think she might have tried one with I don't remember, but I don't.
I think हमारा भी यही हिसाब है. I'm okay with sushi. Basma is a big fan of sushi.
Yeah, but I just think
Yeah, same with me and
I've had
Parvez,
sushi.
she's a
I've
big
had
fan.
sushi. I just think all sushi will taste the same. There's not like
It
Acha.
kind of does to me. I don't know.
this I've had at a fancy restaurant.
It's
I've
like
had
a
sushi.
Neil Brennan joke where he's like all wine kind of tastes like wine. like notes words की लोग बातें कर रहे होते हैं. Maybe that's the thing in sushi also. I think we haven't given it enough time. या हो सकता है लोग झूठ बोल रहे हो.
Anyway, I'm just gonna go and eat raw fish. That's my thing. I just don't want to eat raw fish.
अच्छा तो मतलब
Yeah,
that's the issue.
That's the issue. So
You had
lot of
noodles
ramen,
and
lot of ramen,
Ramen.
lot of karage,
Ramyun.
a lot of I had oh my god, bro, Japanese barbecue on the grill.
Yakitori.
No, yakitori, not
Yeah.
yakitori. It's called something else. Yakiniku.
Yakiniku.
Yakiniku, bro.
Say it fast, it becomes a Bollywood song.
Now
अच्छा.
on to it. So I mean, if
What
you
is-
if
what
you guys seen my stories,
What is teppanyaki? Oh, that's on a.
That's
on a
also
flat
grill.
top.
Yeah,
That's also
on a
grill,
flat
that's
top.
it,
Yeah,
yeah.
I think that's.
if you seen my stories, you would have noticed there's one that I ate.
I
a lot of
watched
Japanese.
all your Japan stories.
Well, they're up on highlights if you want to check my
Yeah,
Circle
shout out.
7.
yeah.
That's
एक
okay,
के बाद
so-
देख लिया ना.
And then apart from that, I think from that Pakistani dish, I didn't eat anything else that was.
McDonald's.
No,
Oh, Japanese.
Try
boycott.
McDonald's in every country.
उस जमाने में तो
Bro,
boycott नहीं था
bro,
और
sorry.
और-
नहीं, क्यों नहीं था boycott था?
उस जमाने में हो चुका
I
था.
went in March, bro.
अभी क्यों तुम?
I went in March.
Wow, I thought you went like if you had asked me if he'd said I
thought
went
he
last
in
year.
November or something.
Yeah, if Sahil said to me I went last year, I was like,
Oh,
"Haan,
no, he was
Sahil."
there during cherry blossom. So
Yeah, I went early cherry blossoms,
early.
early Sakura.
Right.
Yeah, so I was not. I
So
didn't.
much,
I mean,
yeah.
even though I've been, I've not wanted to have McDonald's here at all. But like udhar ka because of the menu. And
Yeah, it's
everything.
very different. It's very different.
I did
It's
want
super
to,
Japanese.
but I didn't. But that's fine. So
Okay.
yeah.
फिर
So nothing
Osaka,
else. Osaka
फिर
2
कहाँ
days.
2 days.
Was okay. It was good. I think that was like we're trying to get used to Japan and everything. I met.
Right,
Oh, one
right.
story I need to tell you guys.
Yeah.
I went to this ramen place.
Are we cutting this? Or are we
No,
not?
no, we're not.
तो mic करीब ले आओ ना.
I went to this ramen place. Bengali server.
Bengali ramen place.
No, Bengali server.
अच्छा.
Guy who served my food.
Wow.
Ramen
What's the
place.
racist way to say ramen as Bengalis though? I think there's nothing.
Ramen.
Roman.
This is our target.
It's. We know it's racist. We're just checking. ताकि हम ना कहें.
No,
It's
और आप
not
भी ना-
racist.
और आप भी ना कहें.
we're gonna cut
It's
it.
not racist. There
Yeah.
are people.
Okay. Okay.
No, I don't think they want to be.
There are people. Who says there are people non-racistly? Who says this, bro?
खैर. हाँ.
So you know, he said, Pakistan. Pakistan. Okay. So he's like,
थूक दिया उसने ramen में तो.
what surprised me? Why is he here? Because that honestly is a surprise. Like, why
Sure.
people
Sure.
migrating to Japan? मैंने कहा यार आप इधर क्यों? Because you know हमारे जैसे लोग तो या सऊदी या यूएई या इधर जाते हैं.
और racist मैं हूँ हाँ अच्छा.
Why are you
हाँ,
here?
बोलो, हाँ.
सखिल ने पूछ लिया. Why are you here?
Yeah. So he said, bhai, I'm not gonna do his accent. Okay.
Really wants to.
Really wants to. I'm not gonna do it. He says, I can tell you. He says, these motherfucking guys have a system, and that system works.
अच्छा.
He says
Yeah.
their way of life. Yes, it's like very particular lines and this and that and way to do everything. पैसे देने का तरीका, पैसे लेने का तरीका,
Yeah.
सब कुछ का तरीका है. कहते हैं कि भाई
Mike. हाँ.
सबको तरीका है, but it fucking works.
Yeah.
And I love it. I said, okay, I asked him racism. कहता है कोई racism नहीं है. I'm sure there must be. I probably explained it. He's like,
But not like.
but he's like in their institutions,
Blatant,
in like in their offices, if you
Yeah.
go to get something done,
हाँ.
no one is treated differently.
हाँ.
ठीक है? So obviously Japan has this history of, you know,
They've excelled.
they are actively working against it.
Their history.
Again, their history. Unlike Germany, right? Germany's like, नहीं हम वापस जाएंगे.
Good old days.
ठीक है, let's go back to the good old days.
Yeah.
Japan is like, no, we don't want anyone to like associate us with that.
Okay.
So he says, okay, yeah, this is the case, and I love it. Money is good. I'm a server. I'm
But
happy.
again, is that thing just an image that they're going for, or are their systems actually getting better in place?
In
पता
Japan.
नहीं. Yeah.
So one thing I told Ali in the chat, I don't know if you remember. क्या हुआ?
Yeah, Rizwan का audio is just very low always.
Why?
बोलो. I don't know where to. बोलो.
Hello.
Yeah, super low. तो मैं थोड़ा बढ़ा देता हूँ. Sahil का is always super loud.
Hello.
Sahil, you're fine.
Okay.
Rizwan, say something. Say the whole sentence again.
क्या बात कर रहा था मैं?
अब loud हो गया.
अच्छा.
Okay. खैर, whatever.
Yeah.
Fix it.
One thing I messaged in the chat also, when I was going, obviously after like 7 p.m. when they would go to sleep,
Yeah.
I would go out alone.
Yeah.
Their train stations,
Yeah.
it would be eerily quiet.
Yeah.
Everyone on
Sure
their
नहीं है.
phone. Sure नहीं है. But so what I felt initially, well, obviously now I don't think that. Okay, everyone hates their job, is depressed.
But that has been a long story.
There is a
right?
story. There's a story. There's a story about
Yeah.
how their women
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
have good men to marry, and
Yeah,
that's a story there. And then okay, that's because people are coming back from work or either going to work.
Yeah.
Those stations, and then you get to one of the stations where like Shibuya, Shinjuku, and you see these motherfucking guys having so much fun, being drunk, partying, being noisy,
Yeah.
and it's a different thing. You're like, buddy, these are the same people.
Yeah.
And usi train station pe they're like, so
हाँ.
it's not. I mean, there is an argument about how their culture.
But again, वही के हर type के लोग हैं.
हर type- नहीं, but-
that's
नहीं,
the
but
thing,
also
right?
it's the same. He's saying it's the same people. उनको पता है कि शोर कहाँ मचाना है और कहाँ नहीं मचाना है. Like,
Hmm.
they know how to behave
or
themselves.
the rules are ingrained.
Ingrained.
Like you saw now on the trains, everyone's quiet
Everyone's quiet.
usually.
Yeah.
सब backpack सामने की तरफ
Backpack,
पहनते हैं.
masks, phone पे
Mask.
रहते हैं. No one's even looking here or
See,
there.
I remember like 14 years ago when I was training at Terminal 3. Emirates के साथ. I was getting trained at the check-in counters.
Okay.
So they were our trainers were pretty open in telling us, जिसको races बोलो या जो भी, कि यार ये वाली flight है तो ऐसा behavior मिलने वाला है.
Right.
ये वाली है तो ऐसा मिलने वाला है. That is something that they've seen every day,
Huh.
and you know that's
It's better they tell you.
and you know it's going to happen. Like if it's a flight going to Dhaka, you know उसमें आधी flight excess baggage होगी, कोई pay नहीं करना चाह रहा होगा.
Sure.
The same for Lahore.
Yeah.
Very similar दोनों भाई भाई.
Yeah.
And then the US going flights, nationalities जो भी हो, they were like, you have to be specially careful.
Yeah.
Extra security होगी आसपास,
Yeah.
all that. And Tokyo flights, they're like, you'll be amazed. Group travel बहुत companies का between UAE and Japan. And I trained just a couple of Japan flights once during the training, and it was like a 25 people group.
Yeah.
So the group leader would step to the counter.
Right.
He's holding 25 passports. पहला उसका है, second उसका है जो उसके पीछे खड़ा है,
They're all in
third
order.
उसका है जो उसके पीछे खड़ा है.
Yeah.
They're all in the same fucking order. And because to check them in, you have to see everybody's face.
Yeah.
All the 25 passengers.
Yeah.
तो जैसे ही पहला हटा रखा, that guy steps away, the second steps. They're all in
Nice.
the same fucking order
Yeah.
as the passports. और ये नहीं करना पड़ रहा, वो किधर रह गया आपका बंदा, और टट्टी करना चला गया है. अच्छा, like they're all
Really
fucking
weird.
there.
Really weird if they were
वो
speaking
अपना
Punjabi.
पासपोर्ट भूल गया है घर, you know, वो बंदा अभी जूते उसका उतर गए हैं, like random. तो we're like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
works, man. The society works. Even that guy, Ali's kitchen guy.
Yeah.
He was saying the same thing. He's like, yeah, I've lived here my life, and I honestly love it. I think
This
most
motherfucker
people-
who ran away from his cop dad because he was a shit child.
something like that. Yeah.
वहाँ जाके सीधा हो गया. Yeah.
He has a restaurant, vlogging करता है.
I think we all have to move to Japan now.
Yeah. So,
I read something about this, about that they were inviting people to come to Japan and move,
Yeah.
move
Move
there.
into mostly move into
If you're under
remote
33.
areas.
And I read that a lot of places now they're saying कि tourists वो allow नहीं करेंगे.
That's one.
They're
Some
cutting
places,
out
there,
a lot
there are
of
literally two
places,
places. One is
क्योंकि
the geisha district.
yeah.
Oh.
In
That's
Kyoto.
because people are
The
harassing
people
the geishas.
disrespect geishas.
Because
Yeah.
वो ये है ना कि their currency is weaker now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
since
American
it's been
tourists
for a while.
love
Yeah,
it.
tourists
yeah,
बढ़ गए हैं. वैसे ही कोविड के बाद बहुत टूरिस्ट भरे थे because हुआ ये कि when COVID ended ना, COVID में जापान बंद था.
बिल्कुल.
जा
And
नहीं सकते थे.
खुलने के बाकी सब खुलने के बाद भी बहुत
Yeah,
देर बंद
delayed.
थे.
It opened like
They were like the
when
last country
when
to.
you went,
yeah.
I think it
was
opened
just opening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I saw the increase in tourism in the 3 weeks I was there from start to it. There was a visible increase in tourism. खैर, एक तो वो हुआ. And at the same time, so then everybody wanted to go to Japan. At the same time, TikTok really took off.
Hmm.
Then everybody started making TikToks of
TikTok
Japan.
is, yeah.
तो फिर और लोग जाने लगे. And then उनकी currency भी अब recently उन्होंने they've devalued because they
Yeah.
were like recession के खतरे. तो अब और भी ज़्यादा लोग जाने लगे हैं. तो now it's getting like a bit crazy.
Yeah.
तो ये है.
I know, like, including you, maybe like 12 Pakistanis who've gone to Japan this year.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like, yeah.
This thing, I
फिर
mean,
ओसाका से कहाँ गए?
Kyoto.
Kyoto.
Took like a half an hour train. Over
How
there.
did you fare in the
travel?
bamboo forest or Torii Gates?
So Kyoto, that was Kyoto.
yeah.
So we did Arashiyama we did the Sagana romantic train.
Right. Okay.
We
Nice.
went on the other side and then we came back to the bamboo forest.
अच्छा.
Bamboo forest, to be honest, like
You
we've
posted
heard-
some photos of this kal parson bhi?
I
Of this area?
posted a reel of the romantic train ride.
Yeah, I saw
Through
that.
the gorge?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, man.
Beautiful.
I
man.
appreciate it.
Yeah. It was
You know,
so
it
nice.
really makes me.
वो slow mo wala na.
Mm.
It was
Was
beautiful.
it slow mo? Yeah.
It was slow mo and snowing.
Yeah, it was just beautiful, man.
I thought it was
Yeah.
maybe going slow.
No, it was a slow mo. I slow mo it. I recorded in slow mo.
Slowed more.
Yeah.
I slow mo it.
Huh.
More slow it.
Bamboo
Arishiyama,
forest
I've heard. So I heard the same thing about Arishiyama crowded as hell.
weren't very impressed.
I took one reel one video that blew my mind, and I was like, "That's it. I don't need to record anything else."
Okay.
I'll post that eventually.
Okay.
I posted on my story. You must have seen it. It looks like an animation
Right.
of the wind blowing through.
Sure.
Recording.
Oh.
So I saw. I took. We took a few photos. Arishiyama wasn't that great for me. It was like, okay,
What time did you get there?
11:30, 12.
ये तो
maybe?
फिर तो full rush होगा ना.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
we tried waking up early, not possible with the baby.
Yeah. Because when
But-
I got there, I was the first person there and it looked like a fucking horror movie. क्योंकि it was full अंधेरा.
Yeah, but
कोई light
but
नहीं.
that
Wow.
area around Arashiyama, which
That's
is
very nice.
the
There's a shrine,
Arabica.
temple, Arabica is over there.
That-
yeah.
Yeah. That Arabica because that moment, I think the highlight of my trip was that moment. One of the highlights.
Yeah.
Arabica holding a Kyoto latte, and it's snowing.
Yeah.
It was
Oh.
snowing. Yeah, this is why I'm holding. I have a glove in my
That's
hand.
amazing.
Ali's like, "इतनी ठंड कहाँ है? तुमने glove क्यों पहना हुआ है? Right? बर्फ पड़ी है. ठंड कहाँ है? It's snowing. I'm having a Kyoto latte in
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
क्या
Wow.
That's amazing.
That was great. That was great.
Bamboo Forest, I was surprised.
Wow.
It is really nice to look at, but it's surprisingly small.
You know, you can go in a lot further deep in to all the shrines, and we
Barabar
literally
mein-
didn't go past 20 meters.
Barabar mein, when you're walking up to the Bamboo Forest, there's a temple.
Hmm.
I forget the name. Uska apna ek andar छोटू
Bamboo forest.
bhi
So,
hai,
yeah.
which I did. I went to the temple. मुझे पता ही नहीं Bamboo Forest तो मैं ऐसे ही बाहर आ गया. But खैर अच्छा फिर
Nearby that place, near the Arabica, there's a restaurant there.
अच्छा
I had amazing Wagyu, A5 Wagyu, yakiniku. Already cooked.
Yeah.
We didn't have to
Yeah,
cook it
yeah.
ourselves. On a bed of rice and with soy sauce, halki si meaty si.
Oh, nice.
yeah
I have a lot of A5 Wagyu. I tried some Kobe also.
right
Kobe beef was good too.
Rip.
Kobe, rip, yeah. Kobe was good too. Yeah, that was. I think Kyoto was. I you know what Kyoto's best thing was. I think the Fushimi Inari.
yeah the Torii gates.
Hmm.
I didn't think I would like it as much.
Yeah.
But I was there.
How far up did you go? Because again you were with Zeba, no?
Yeah. So there were. I think we went in a bit. Not too much.
Because people start to thin out.
Yeah. So we went in
There you go.
until and you would just wait for waves of people to go
Yeah,
by and take
yeah.
videos and photos.
Yeah
But like I think एक तो photos में वो काफी orange
yeah
अच्छा लग रहा था.
yeah.
Hmm.
And any photos and any videos we took with the sunlight filtering through
Yep.
the thing.
Yep.
It looked nice. So Fushimi Inari was. I think Kyoto. And if anyone goes to Kyoto, shout out.
Yeah.
Please
sure.
go for more than 3-4 days at least. Kyoto
Okay.
deserves more time.
Yeah, yeah.
Kyoto is a very beautiful city.
Okay.
It might be my favorite one in the city.
Feelings alag hai.
Yeah.
But then after you did something very different where people go to Tokyo first
yeah.
and then go to the smaller cities.
Yes.
तुमने ये smaller spiritual vibey historical cities देख के then you went to
Because
Tokyo.
Tokyo would have been crazy.
Yeah.
So I think starting off crazy would have ruined us for the whole trip.
I think होता ऐसा है कि when you start off crazy ना then these places are like oh yeah कितना सुकून.
Yeah, I'm sure. I thought about that. You'd appreciate the smaller places a lot more.
Yeah, but then you went to Tokyo.
The tickets were also, ये वाले मिल रहे थे.
सही है.
Yeah.
Kyoto was good. Then we bullet train.
Bullet train it.
Man, the bullet
Nice.
train is so expensive, bro.
Yeah. अब और महंगी हो गई. अब तुम्हारा तो JR pass भी नहीं था ना कुछ JR pass.
Yeah,
भी महंगा
but
हो गया.
I did the math. I didn't need the GR pass. I
No,
did the
but
math.
before the JR pass was much cheaper.
Yes, yeah. Now it's
Yeah.
expensive. So GR
Yeah.
pass is a pass
Mm.
you can use on the Shinkansen, which is the bullet train,
Yeah.
and
Unlimited.
on other trains as well.
Yeah.
Didn't need it, but still was expensive.
Yeah.
But damn, bullet train is
I
Holy,
downloaded. I downloaded some fucking speed calculation app
yeah.
just to do that thing.
What
It
is
was
that?
like
300?
285
Yeah.
or something. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And
Wow.
you don't feel it. It's
Yeah,
like
वो-
थोड़ा
it's
सा होता है.
silent. It doesn't
and-
move.
Yeah.
You don't feel anything,
कोई शोर
And,
नहीं
uh,
and it comes so on time.
bro. If you are
Oh.
like 20 seconds late, you're done.
Bro, the train was supposed to leave at like 7. ठीक है.
It leaves at 7.
7:55 तक ट्रेन थी नहीं. At the 6:55 तक ट्रेन आई
Yeah.
नहीं थी. It showed up like
2 minutes
or 3 minutes.
6:58. It should have been 6:58.
Yeah. उसमें लोग उतरे and चढ़े
Yeah.
and चल गए.
Wow.
And then there are places where people, you know, like how metro के सामने सब सामने खड़े होते हैं.
Yeah.
No one can
Yeah.
exit. Bro, these guys.
They have a system. कि लोग वेट कितना
System
करेंगे.
है, system.
Yeah. खैर अच्छा
That's
टोक्यो में
crazy,
क्या
yeah.
किया आपने?
Tokyo, first day, tried to find out cherry blossom.
अच्छा
Hmm.
sure
Because we saw 1 or 2 sakura trees in Kyoto.
हाँ.
At one temple or 2 temples.
Okay.
Photo shot लेगी उसमें.
Okay.
But apparently I saw some TikToks because people are posting real time कि यार
Yeah.
on this day there are a row of trees.
Yeah, there's a sadak in Tokyo which
That's where I went to.
my
Yeah.
friend took me and I went obviously in fall so there was nothing. But
Where's the Lawsons as well?
I don't know, but there's a full sadak जिसपे it's a थोड़ा सा incline and apparently side तक पूरा it's cherry blossom. It's not a huge sadak.
But you went in main season, right?
I went in October November.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Not cherry blossom.
I went in autumn. तो
autumn.
उसमें वो फूल तो नहीं थे वो
Trees थे.
forests were nice
हाँ.
orange and वो colors
Yeah.
but cherry blossoms were बिल्कुल
So, yeah, so Tokyo first day we did cherry blossom hunting.
okay
Ate some good Japanese food made by a Sri Lankan chef.
Nice.
Oh.
was very good.
Multicultural.
Very good. Yeah,
Nice.
he's got some awards, etc. Yeah, for like cooking, and he has some fusion dishes where he uses coconut curry as well,
Acha.
coconut milk.
Okay.
So it was good. The recording.
Yeah, so far.
But the best thing, Tokyo. Obviously, I did all the Tokyo small shit. The best thing I did in Tokyo, the go
The
kart.
Mario Kart.
The Mario Kart.
Mario
I
Kart tours.
planned for that well
Right,
in advance.
Right.
Yeah, you know, you can't. So you to book that.
Yeah.
You have to book it 2 months in advance.
Right. Because it's a crazy
Oh,
thing.
it's
It's,
crazy
basically explain what it is.
It's basically these carts that
Go
are
cars, yeah.
go karts. Okay, they're made higher just so that the cars can see them, and you drive on the main road. You don't drive on a separate track.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
fuck.
drive on the main streets of Tokyo.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not like you drive next to cars.
Yeah.
And you dress up as characters
Yeah.
from Mario or Nintendo and stuff, which they're not called. They legally cannot sell them as.
Acha.
You know why
Oh.
they were sued by Nintendo?
Oh.
Because they were like you can't advertise them as Mario characters or Pokemon characters.
Oh.
So now when you go then you want the dragon costume, which is the Charizard.
Right.
Yeah.
And
So
the plumber.
plumber. Yeah. You want the Mexican plumber? The Cuban Yoshi.
Yeah, okay.
फिर so I booked that 2 months in advance. You also need an international driver's license.
Sure.
So you have to apply that online on RT website. Comes to your house.
Yeah.
Did that for me and Zarka.
Yeah.
And then the best thing happened. It rained that
It started
day.
raining.
Oh.
So Khel went रात के time पे and he's doing something so crazy and it's Tokyo and there's light and then बारिश भी हो
And
गई.
this rain. And bro,
Full film
that
scene हो गया.
is like I don't think I could have planned that perfect. The only thing missing in that is I didn't get the Shibuya track. I got the
Acha.
Shinjuku track.
Sure.
Shibuya would have been a little bit more lights, I think.
Okay.
And so the Shibuya was booked. And damn, bro. I mean, we took turns because Zeba was
Acha, both of you were there.
me and Zarka both there.
Oh.
Zarka did first. I said Zarka pick an outfit because I knew I was being Charizard.
Yeah.
She did the most basic thing ever and went Mickey Mouse. I was like, out of all the
Famous
things,
Japanese-
not even Minnie.
Famous Japanese character.
I'm like, why
Mickey
Mickey?
Mouse.
She's like, oh, that's cute because she's a Disney kid. So, I'm like, अच्छा, चलो, ठीक है. So she did first.
Yeah.
She did first, and I was watching Zeba,
Yeah.
and then we swapped.
Mm.
Honestly, that's the craziest thing. One of the craziest things I've ever done in my life, and it was
That's
perfect.
fucking amazing.
The
yeah.
rain, and the fact that it was
Oh,
raining,
boy.
and I had the Charizard suit. You know, a lot of celebrities do this. Like you see the celebrities and YouTubers do this kind of shit
Yeah.
in Japan,
Yeah.
and I got to do that, so that was pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
It was. I think that one and the snow are the two highlights that I keep looking
Snow
back.
in Kyoto.
Snow in Kyoto. Yeah. That these things I keep looking back at. It's a lot of fun. Yeah. Apart from that, बाकी खाने छाने खाए. Yeah.
Seriously, तुमने Neon, Cyberpunk.
Cyberpunk photos.
Yeah, Cyberpunk
Will
photos.
come eventually. I'm posting them.
You've put, I think, एक दो तो
I
लगाई हैं.
put
या
two
video
reels.
लगाई
I
है.
put two reels up
Hmm.
because अभी photos don't do as well.
बहुत time हो गया.
But reels भी नहीं चल रही.
Reels नहीं
Reels
चल रहा, कुछ भी
भी.
नहीं चल रहा.
Yo, speaking of reels,
Yeah. Shout out.
shout out reels. I love you reels. I wish you would I'm getting 20 likes, maybe 30 likes on my reels.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm being recommended motherfuckers with 1 likes. One
Yeah.
like, 2
Yeah.
likes. Why?
I think people are not liking reels as much as they are watching them.
They have 0 views. I go to their page to see how many views they have.
But you're getting more views?
I'm not getting views either.
I think Instagram का algorithm है तो shit.
No, I checked with a friend of mine.
Yeah.
We're both being recommended low view, low like. And there's nothing to them. It's just
Right.
a guy recording a video
Right.
of nothing.
Right.
It's like गांव में किसी ने खेत की वीडियो ले ली है. मुझे वो recommend क्यों हो रही है?
I feel कि Instagram का algorithm is much worse
So
than
bad
TikTok.
compared to TikTok.
Even like the reels that अगर मैं reels वाले tab पे जाऊँ, I barely see reels from people I'm following. एक तो there's no way to choose कि मुझे following दिखाओ या for you दिखाओ. And then it shows me sort of like हाँ ये ऐसी reels तुम्हें पसंद है चलो इस तरह की reels पे देख लो. But it's not good at
It's
all.
pretty bad.
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
Yeah. Explore page I think उनका काफी जल्दी update होता था. But compared to TikTok उनका reels seem to
TikTok
be-
algorithm is
It's too crazy.
advanced, too crazy.
It's too crazy. So
And you can, if you wanted to train it, you could do it in 10 minutes.
yeah.
If you wanted to change your TikTok, your complete for you page, you could do it in 10 minutes.
Yeah. उसमें ये भी चक्कर है ना कि sometimes it shows you a video that you don't want to see. But then आपने देख ली ज़्यादा. Now it's like, अच्छा, ऐसे देखिए.
Yeah,
वो
all
याद
that
रहेगा.
thing, yeah.
And then I have to quickly scroll past that shit to make it
So
forget.
make sure, but it does it well though.
Yeah, ठीक है यार, listen,
Yeah.
माशाल्लाह, अच्छा बच्चा है. Anyway, टोक्यो में कुछ खास खाया?
It's, ramen, more ramen,
Raymond, Mike.
more ramen,
Oh.
more ramen, more beef.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I did one day. I did go to a guy that was selling like Turkish Japanese kebabs kind of thing.
Oh,
Yeah, it was a Turkish restaurant,
Okay.
but he was like,
kache
yeah,
kebab.
but he was doing a bit of like he's like Japanese seasonings used kara.
Okay.
I had that.
Furikake. That's Japanese.
Alright.
This is the only
I
one
get
know.
it, bro. You get it, Japan. I get it.
Yeah.
Seaweed ke kebab.
Seaweed ka.
Ye lo.
Went to Don Quixote.
Don Quixote, yeah.
You know what Don Quixote is?
It's a big fucking store thing. Department store thing. हर चीज मिलती
Bro,
है.
it's a trap.
It's yeah.
Oh fuck.
It's a trap, bro.
Yeah.
Don't go in there.
हर चीज मिलती है, and also they have a floor.
क्या लिया तुम?
They have a floor full
Fucking
of
everything.
vibrators.
Yeah, the floor
A
full
floor of sex toys.
Yeah,
वो
flashlights,
तो ये
vibrators,
हो गया.
everything.
हाँ, सखील खुद डब्बे में बैठ के
Want
बैठ गया. सखील was like मुझे ये बेचना.
Yeah, bro. At that, Don Quixote is I don't know. You know what? You think it's cheap?
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not cheap.
It's not cheap.
Yeah. Especially because you end up buying so many
You
things.
buy
as
so much
well.
things. We bought a suitcase and we
What?
yeah.
Fuck.
That's a bit much.
No, because so we had a suitcase. We packed a suitcase inside a suitcase and took it along.
अच्छा.
हमने कहा
अच्छा.
था ना कि
हाँ.
सामान लेना
Ah,
पड़ेगा.
of course.
And
Yeah.
and we only took those two things, and then we had like, space for another luggage. We had
Right.
like, so we were like, वहाँ से ले लेंगे.
Right.
And we bought, and then we put the Don Quixote stuff in there.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा
Did
सोचना
Zeba
पड़ता है.
enjoy stuff? Was she aware enough to understand that something different is happening?
We tried to do outdoorsy things. That's I don't think she. To be honest, no.
She's too tiny to
She's
Yeah,
too tiny.
yeah.
fully remember.
Showing her,
yeah.
we're showing her cars, showing her, oh, we're on the train ride, or we're going on a bus ride.
But Tokyo में गाड़ियाँ कितनी अच्छी हैं वैसे. Tokyo
Bro,
car
cars.
scene
I love the
is
80s,
also good.
90s
Yes,
wale.
so
Yeah.
bro,
I took a few photos of some GTRs and
Tokyo
all the
car scene
sounds
is
and-
like Dubai से बेहतर.
Bro, imagine.
I was like Tokyo car scene. यार क्या बात है यार, दुबई से बेहतर है.
I
I was
think-
like हाँ, this is fucking Tokyo.
I think
Yeah.
that's the thing. Next time I was looking at Tokyo car tours and stuff.
Yeah.
They do. You could rent a classic car and drive to Fuji,
Oh.
and you could do like a drive by Fuji on a scenic route on like an old Porsche or like
Really?
an old. But
Oh,
these things,
man.
no, both महंगे.
Yeah.
But I mean, महंगे I think it would cost around 600 dirhams. or something.
Affordable महंगे.
Affordable महंगे
Okay.
if you're working here. I guess.
Sure.
But
That's
then,
not bad. Yeah.
but
Yeah.
these things sell out like 1 year in advance. So
Which is the problem of being affordable महंगा.
yeah.
Okay.
But like I think if
So
anyone,
generally, would you say recommend?
no one else go. No one else go.
Stop going.
I'm gonna gatekeep this shit. Delete this on the podcast. I don't want anyone else to hear it.
यार ये एक तो जापान हराम है.
हाँ, बात आपको
सब
सही है.
कुछ ये तो.
Yeah.
Oh no, they found halal ramen. Halal ramen.
नहीं,
So,
ये सारा
listen to me.
कच्चा
आपको
कच्चा
पता है,
खाना बस
आपको पता है
हाँ.
वैसे तो मैं halal खाता हूँ.
Oh,
No, generally I did eat halal there
sure.
because
Okay.
they use pork in everything.
There's a lot of pork. The ramen
Like
is
even if you were
often
trying
mostly
not
pork.
to, if you're trying कि यार ठीक है मैं
मुंह में कोई डाल देगा.
non halal खाता था बस I'll just avoid pork.
Yeah. It's tough.
They use pork broth,
Broth,
gelatin,
हाँ,
and
हाँ.
everything.
Yeah.
So it's
और
very
tissue
hard.
papers, ये लो.
Mike मुंह के करीब रखो.
Yeah.
Tissue papers.
So that's why I was like, gotta be careful. I don't
Yeah.
want to have to try pork. So
Sure.
I had to eat.
But था अच्छा.
हमें भी
there
ये
was
इशू तो है ही वाली
जितना भी pork खाया था अच्छा.
halal ramen was quite a few halal places. Fine.
I've seen a lot of TikToks also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Muslim
so-
population party. I think because a lot of Arab people are going, so I think they're being like
No, but
catered at,
a lot of the halal places are run by Japanese halal guys, and also non-Japanese, like non-Muslim Japanese.
non-Muslim. Yeah.
But as in they're just saying that it's halal food, right?
Bro, अगर वो कह रहे हैं तो
हाँ.
it is more halal than Pakistan.
for
ये
sure.
भी है.
If the
Yeah.
Japanese
Bro,
reference
they
is
are-
there,
It's Japan.
There is
yeah.
there's no gada in there for sure.
yeah, it's
The-
उधर Malaysians जा रहे
Is
होंगे.
गधा halal वैसे?
No, it's
No,
not.
beast of burden.
लॉरियों के लिए है लेकिन.
Yeah. Anyway.
I love your outfit. What are you wearing?
Oh fuck! Oh my god! Acha wait.
Thank you. Shirt is by Bose.
Boss. Oh, boss.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Bose.
apart from the whole concept being cringe or not,
Parada,
that's something else. मजा लेके कोई एक कुत्ता अच्छे कपड़ों में कोई आ
No,
गया
no,
हो
no,
वहाँ?
I think that's the criteria.
Like, what is going
Shout out.
on?
This is the second podcast. It's the pehli we did a podcast and I talked about people from Lahore.
Who you
I know.
talk to? Who did you talk to? Who did-
Oh, my other best friends, na. क्या बात हुई थी? हाँ, people from Lahore. People from Lahore के बारे में I just spoke about this in the previous podcast. लेकिन I was surprised. मैं कह रहा था यार that fucking guy with Bose की shirt and Parada के जूते and Rolex.
पराठा और
हाँ, Rolex.
Paratha.
wearing. I was like, this motherfucker is walking around wearing like $40,000 worth of shit in Lahore. But
Is-
ऐसे ही,
Is he though?
fake shit.
Is he though?
I mean, that's another thing.
Is he though?
If
Bro,
we're
the
saying-
amount of fucking fake shit you get in
Lorries,
Lahore,
bro.
and
Yeah.
it's all being sourced in circles के बीच में.
yeah.
I
अच्छा.
know because of one contact of mine who fucking wore
I
all
know
of this.
someone. I know someone who's also
Acha.
trying to sell fake.
That makes
stuff.
more sense. That makes more sense.
And the amount of fake shit जो कि आधे को पता भी होता है कि fake है और आधे are like नहीं नहीं bro ये वो मेरी एक seller है US
Yeah,
में बैठी
yeah.
हुई वो वहाँ से बेचती है. अच्छा I don't know man. Like
That makes
plus
more
half
sense.
the time the prices that they're telling you they think these are big prices and you're like नहीं यार this is nothing.
He didn't say the prices. वो तो मैं
नहीं
अपनी
ये
तरफ
नहीं
से
like
calculate
I'm
करता
talking
हूँ.
about
Some other
like
one,
the
some other-
circle that I'm
yeah,
talking about.
Right.
कि यार ओ ये बैग मैंने वाइफ के लिए मंगवाया यार 2 लाख रुपए का 2 लाख रुपए में वॉलेट नहीं आता उस ब्रांड का. What the fuck are you talking about?
Right.
अच्छा like the kind of brands that they're
Original
talking
first copy.
about. हाँ
हाँ,
and
हाँ,
I don't know man.
Wese, if anyone wasn't a Lahori hater before, watch that page. You will
Yeah,
become a
yeah.
Lahori
People
hater.
from Lahore. Why is it 2.0?
Oh you don't know?
No.
Oh there was a
1.0.
very big Instagram page इससे पहले.
People from Lahore.
It was
As big as this one now, it
it-
is.
this is not even close to being big.
How come we've never seen
That
the other
was
one
a
before?
huge page.
If it's that,
But
if it's that big, how come?
उसका concept ये नहीं था of वो what are you wearing
Yeah.
और ये वो.
I love your
उसमें they
outfit.
would just you
The
know
photos, just
spot people
photos.
और photos post करते थे.
Oh.
And now because it's the
Video का
videos
scene
का
है.
ज़माना
अच्छा,
तो
अच्छा, अच्छा.
yeah,
Reels.
Right.
yeah.
But again, why is it 2.0? Did the previous one get shut down or something?
हो सकता है.
Yeah, पता नहीं. Maybe 2.0
There's
means reinvention.
people of Karachi too now.
Right to us. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
How do they do that without getting bugged?
I love your
what you
outfit.
wear.
Like, give me your phone. Yeah, motorway. I love that guy.
अच्छा.
I love the clip.
मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था कल एक दिन के लिए मैं कराची में था.
Yeah, I want to ask you about your
I
Karachi
went
trip.
to Frere Hall.
नमाज पढ़ने.
He went for Frere.
Sunday prayers.
The dinosaur.
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 I hate that.
Put the clip, put the picture here. Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
So there was a book fair और हम लोग गुजर रहे थे तो पलवशा की बहन को apparently books का बहुत शौक है.
Oh, great picture.
That's
Rizwan
crazy,
put
yeah.
up. Palvisha's sister holding up a book and Rizwan is
Young
pointing at it.
ये जो young लोग है ना ये I'm like oh book.
Book in the wild.
And she was very excited like she was telling me oh I've got these authors कि मुझे यहाँ इतने सस्ते मिल गए. Yeah, interesting. I have no idea. अच्छा I'm child. What can I do?
Yeah.
तो उधर एक बंदा मांगने वाला था या जो भी अच्छा well वो मांग रहा था.
Yeah.
तो he was like this जो mostly बहुत दफा हमने देखा था हट्टा कट्टा guy you know like
Bodybuilder.
या fucking मुझसे बड़े size का
BBB. Bodybuilder beggar.
bodybuilder
BBL Drizzy.
and that guy you know हर वो मांगने वाली की एक story होती है ना
Yeah.
like they'll be या दवाइयाँ ले दो मुझे
Sure,
या
sure.
कल से खाना नहीं खाया all that.
Internet लगवा दो.
Yeah, this guy's story is मेरी तनख्वाह 1000 रुपए है. कह रहा हूँ ये कौन सी नौकरी है? Who the fuck earns 1000 रुपए a month in Pakistan? ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Like घर पे जो काम करते हैं उनको भी लोग
रिजवान उधर बैठ के इकोनॉमिक्स सोच रहा है.
It's more difficult to pay someone a salary of 1,000
Exactly.
than zero.
than zero. It is. Like,
रिजवान like
how?
bro just tell me you're broke.
And I'm like यार अब क्या हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं यार थोड़ी देर
Maybe
किताबें
another
देखने दो
homeless person is paying him. That could be a thing.
कि तू मेरे लिए मांग के लाएगा.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
वो देखो जाके रिकॉर्ड हो रहा नहीं हो रहा.
uh,
रिजवान की मैंने ड्यूटी लगाई हुई है. अच्छा तो फिर what did he what क्या was he asking for money or books?
asking for a fucking job probably. I don't.
He was asking for
नहीं,
a
he was
raise.
asking for he was asking for money. अब उस इतने से हम 15-20 मिनट वहाँ थे, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो गया. Like so, मुझे एक बुक पसंद आई that had you know I'm
Pictures.
fucking yeah. यार अब मुझे इतना पढ़ने का इतना जबान तो आती नहीं. तो I was like यार अच्छा इसमें बड़ी प्यारी
Like वो जुड़वास कहते हैं. हमारा इंग्लिश जो है ना थोड़ा कट वाला ऐसा.
तो it
रिजवान
was
बुक को खोल के नीचे टिकटॉक सबवे सर्फर.
it was this book about ये Southeast Asian countries or Far East countries
Okay.
की history and all, and
Right.
this really big वो hardcover,
Right.
and these places generally have like really cheap books ना. ये वो उस तरह है ना, like
Thrift store.
हाँ.
For books. Yeah.
तो मैंने वो बंदे से पूछा ये कितने का. 2500.
That guy's like 2.5 तनख्वाह.
And I'm like, अच्छा thank you. मैं चल के जाने लगा. मैंने कहा I'm not spending 2500 रुपए on this आधी फटी हुई book. अच्छा.
Yeah.
तो सर आप 2200 दे दें. मैंने कहा यार मुझे नहीं चाहिए. सर आप ले ले मैं डिस्काउंट दे दूं. मैं तो तुमने पहले क्यों नहीं मुझे सही प्राइस बताई ना. अच्छा करते that fucker comes, सर आप 500 दे दें, आप ही लेके जाएंगे.
What?
He puts it in a plastic bag और सर ये लें,
he
आप
stole it.
लेंगे ये.
You buy it then?
I did not.
The book is cursed. He wanted to get
Yeah.
rid of it. He's like तू जा जापान.
But then again, me being me, I felt so bad कि मैं नहीं खरीद रहा because अब मेरा दिल ही नहीं कर रहा इतनी
Yeah,
बहस के
yeah.
बाद. I'm like अब मैं इसकी दुकान ऐसे नहीं छोड़ के जाता. He also had some,
आग लगाती.
he had some vintage frames. Vintage क्या? As in used पुराने ज़माने के frames छोटे-छोटे.
परसों के frame
Fucking
थे.
vintage.
परसों के frame थे मिट्टी में गिर गए.
So they had some nice छोटा painted artwork in them. I bought like 3 of those. वो उसने 200 के दे दिए. मैंने कहा अच्छा.
You paid more.
Yeah, I fucking
Get
paid
something you didn't like.
ये लो. और फिर वहां से जाते हुए एक और बच्चा को मांगने वाला आ गया.
Yeah. He's like आपने मेरे बंदे से मेरे मैं उसको 1000 रुपए देता हूँ.
बच्चा आ गया and he's like अच्छा you know वो दुआएं वो जो दे रहे होते हैं
Yeah.
जोड़ी सलामत रहे. And he said मैं इतना थक गया हुआ हूँ धूप में अभी like क्यों मुझे बुक फेयर आना पड़ा है. And this guy is like अच्छा अल्लाह आपके माँ बाप को लंबी उम्र दे. मैं कहा वो तो मर गए हैं. वो मेरा मुंह देख रहा है.
The child is like motherfucker. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरे अम्मा पसंद.
अल्लाह ऐसा नसीब किसी दुश्मन को भी ना दे. Palvasha and her, अच्छा Palvasha of course she understands who the fuck I am. She's like यार ये क्या बंदा है. अच्छा her family still
वो तो
feels
मर गए.
her family still feels यार ये रिजवान भाई बेचारे क्या वो बहुत दुखी हैं जो ऐसे बोल रहे हैं यार.
अभी भी तो तुम्हें पूर समझते हैं.
yeah like
वैसे guys, we just want to preface, Rizwan can say all these things about the poors because
I'm poor.
he said it, I didn't say it.
Yeah.
Why did you say it?
I didn't say
Why
it.
did you
He said it.
lie?
I'm
Yeah,
just
because
saying.
I was gonna say because he's rich and rich people say bad things.
Yeah, because he's a Lahori and Lahoris have this.
And because I'm a Lahori.
That's why I said
I'm
I meant
poor.
to say
I
that
had to.
I love your outfit.
I love your art.
मुझे 2 दफा 1 महीने में दुबई
your
आना
favorite
पड़ा है इकोनॉमी पे.
Clone.
Can you
Imagine.
Clone.
Clone is the
Clone
best.
is my favorite thing in like the past 6 months.
Rex is my favorite clone.
Clone जब वो किसी ने लिख दिया ना Twitter पे.
What?
Fucking hell. Clone.
Oh shit.
It's my
What's your favorite clone?
favorite.
Acha, by the way, after that video, she
Yeah.
stopped saying that.
Clone stop saying it.
Yeah, she said perfume.
Oh.
Yeah, that got her.
Gents के लिए तो perfume नहीं होता लेकिन
नहीं,
clone
तो
ही होता
उसने ये नहीं कोशिश की कि कलोन बोल ले. नहीं मैं अब बोलना ही नहीं. Fucking लाहौरी. Right. मैं चलो ठीक है.
Is that my word?
आप सही हो.
है. आपकी smell कौन सी है?
तो बॉ कौन सी आ रही है आप में?
खुशबू.
खुशबू.
Bow Rami.
Well.
सेंट कौन सा लगाते हैं अब? That is one word Pakistanis use.
Scent.
सेंट. यार सेंट लगाया.
It's right up there. It's right up there in the words like series कौन सी देखते हैं आप?
Series.
नहीं,
Season.
season.
Ah, bad season.
Season. Again, I
Seasons
think in these
are-
200 plus episodes we've said this, but if you call a TV show a season, you are wrong.
Yeah.
Stop saying that season कौन सा देख रहे हो?
I hate the way you walk, the way you talk.
Yeah. कोई नया season देखे?
Shogun.
Fucking winter.
नया सीजन आया था यहाँ अभी फ्लड्स हो गए थे.
Oh, flooding season.
Bro, and now to bring the conversation down. मैं आया दुबई, ठीक है, मैं आया बिजनेस क्लास में. I got
show
कौन
off.
सी एयरलाइन?
Emirates.
ओह
Yeah,
just Emirates.
ये डबलिन से यहाँ है. 777 नहीं है ये, क्या है?
777.
Ah, shit business class.
Yeah,
I
it
don't
was,
want that.
it was not good at
The
all.
shit one?
It was not good at
It's
all.
not good
The
business
TV
class.
was shared.
Did you get a middle seat?
No, I got window.
चलो.
But I got window bulkhead. तो टीवी वहाँ था.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Not the personal
This
one.
is the 20-year-old business class.
मेरे बराबर
Emirates.
वाला
Yeah.
person had like इतना बड़ा टीवी वो निकल के आया. But
Yeah.
I was looking at the one इधर. खैर, whatever.
Is this one? Does it have cabins or is this like a nice seat?
नहीं,
it's
these
a
are
live
just
flat.
fully reclined seat.
It's a live flat seat. Big वो.
flat
But
seats.
No,
hai.
but like, do you have like walls on the side? Of
That's
you, or
in the
that shit?
380,
No,
not his.
No.
the
okay,
other
okay,
business
yeah.
classes I've been to have had much more storage space, TV अपना
Yeah.
personal लिए वो. But खैर, चलो कोई बात नहीं. अल्लाह सबको मौका दे. तो मैं आया गाड़ी में, मैंने गाड़ी बुक कर ली. Because you get a car in
Yeah.
your airport.
Chauffeur.
Free.
Yeah.
Chauffeur.
तो
Yeah.
अब वो बंदा स्टोरी शुरू हो गई. बंदा सर वेयर यू फ्रॉम? मैंने कहा अच्छा.
Here,
I was-
we go again.
हाँ चलो ठीक है. वो young guy, Sri-Lankan guy, fucking sad story ये वो बता रहा है.
Rajapaksa.
Yeah.
You have Sri Lankan friends. Don't make just.
And he was like मैं पूछा था क्या ये वो भी बता रहा था. अच्छा सर आप कैसे गए यूरोप? ऑब्वियसली नाउ दिस इज लीडिंग अप टू. अच्छा
Ferry.
Sir, मुझे भी ले जाए.
कर दें कुछ वो कर
हाँ.
दें ये वो. अगेन फॉरेन भाई ने कह दिया कि हाँ कोई बंदा था वो टिकटॉक पे मैंने उसको मैसेज किया. उसने कहा था मैं आपको तरीका बता दूं. मैंने कहा ब्रो डू नॉट डू दिस.
Yeah.
Do not do this. Especially do not send anybody money ever. It is all a scam. खैर फिर उन्होंने बताया उसकी तनख्वाह कितनी है. In 2024 his तनख्वाह is 2600 dirham.
Oh fuck, man.
He lives in shared accommodation.
Yeah, well,
he
of
showed
course.
me the thing on his phone like his
Yeah,
payslip.
Yeah.
I was like 2600.
Is he a taxi or chauffeur?
He's a वो गाड़ी
Emirates
चलाता है.
Emirates
chauffeur.
chauffeur.
Emirates chauffeur.
Yeah, and it's not Emirates employee. It's a contractor.
Yeah, contact
yeah.
third party. Yeah.
Yeah, खैर तो वो sad scene मुझे बड़ा अफसोस. पैसे निकाले मैंने जाके दिए उसको. Then he started telling me about the flood वाली story. He got stuck on the Sukim wala.
Yeah.
Bridge,
That
bridge.
was horrible.
He
Yeah.
was on the bridge.
Yeah.
Okay? And they said कि गाड़ी को अगर water damage हुआ तो 2500 तुम दोगे and you'll get fired. He stayed on the bridge for 2 days
Oh my god.
in the car.
Because you couldn't go either way. Huh?
You can't drive away. He's like, हाँ Lamborghinis वगैरह भी खड़ी हुई थी. I was like, they probably weren't staying. मतलब खाने drinking rainwater, peeing in bottles in the car. I was like,
Wow.
and this is अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ business class. और मैं दुबई आया और I was like, yeah.
Well,
Reality checks.
disparity जो होती है ना.
Check हो गया
And at
मुझे.
the front of it, who? Our friend Ali Abasi.
Yeah. Check हो
Bro,
गया
how
मुझे.
old was he? Andazan.
26 साल का. He told me.
हाँ, so 14 more years he'll be good.
Yeah.
हमें भी time लगा है ना.
At 26, we were struggling, bro.
Bro, when I was 26,
At 26,
when I was 26,
we were getting the employee meals at
yeah,
at 600.
I still did last year.
Yeah.
When I was 26, मेरी salary भी 3000 थी, and like getting fucked, So
Yeah, but
took us a while. It'll take him a while.
that was also a long time
वो
ago.
बंदा
Yeah, well,
अपनी
also-
car company खोलेगा.
Inshallah.
Alright.
Inshallah.
Anyway, serious thing, yeah. So,
Yeah, Mr. Kalu Vitharana.
Hope you gave him more
He'll
money
be-
than
I
you.
gave him like $100, but
It's cheap. Yes.
Give
Ali,
a man
fuck
a
off,
fish. and
$100.
100 dirhams I gave him.
Dirhams?
Yeah.
Not even euros?
I didn't have euros.
Yeah. shit.
एक सेकंड तुम कह रहे हो कम दिए ज्यादा
कम
दिए
दिए, I think.
कम दिए
After all that?
It's 100 fucking dirhams.
Yeah,
What do you
okay.
expect?
He was expecting 0.
एक सेकंड आफ्टर ऑल दैट क्या वो उसका स्टैंड अप परफॉर्मेंस था अच्छा आफ्टर ऑल दैट
Okay, bro. I just, I know.
Ali gave him like fucking 5% of his salary और
Yeah,
क्या
I mean, khair,
The
100 was what I felt I could give him, but हाँ
Yeah.
चलो ठीक है, because I'm also not rich. Someone else paid for
Ali
all my
भी
shit.
salaried employee है he is not business class वो खरीद के नहीं आया कंपनी
नहीं आ सकता मैं, नहीं आ.
अच्छा what the fuck?
Trust me, bro.
तुम दो मुझे 100
Give 100.
the way my bank account is set up.
हमारा ऑफिस का ना टीम डिनर होता है, ठीक है, when you go on these travel audits. उसका बजट होता है $135.
Is it
per
an everyday thing?
Huh?
Is it everyday thing?
Once in the audit,
Okay.
everyone gets together and goes for like a nice.
So once on this trip,
yeah,
you will go.
So next week we'll go. मैंने कहा अच्छा जी $135 कितना
Where are you
होता है?
going?
It's about 500 dirhams. मैंने कहा 500 dirhams तो कुछ भी हो जाएगा यार. Fucking restaurants go up to like 2,000 dirhams
you'll go to like
per
a
head.
mid range now yeah
Yeah, like mid-range fancy.
Wait, is it 500 per
Mid-range.
person?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I was like, Michelin kholte hain? I was fucking
Oh yeah.
1400 per head. I was like, what the
Yeah,
fuck is
yeah,
happening,
yeah.
bro?
You can
But-
get
I'll
good
tell- I'll
fucking
tell you
places
where to
this
go.
way, but
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Go to
Really
Hash.
good
Go to Hashmi's.
Yeah, it's not a fancy fucking.
It's not
place.
fancy.
It's a fucking dhaba.
No,
Uska
no, it's
team
not
dinner
dhaba.
hai.
It's not dhaba.
I think I'll go.
It's people go.
It's
listen,
like a Karachi darbar.
Yeah, has
Uh,
anyone
which
here
hospice did you
been
go to?
Al Barsha wala na.
apparently these all team dinners like MNCs are going there because it's that good food.
What is the
Barbecues.
genre of the food?
It's
barbecue.
Indian Kenyan.
It's very good. though.
Acha, the one other place that was recommended to me was ek to Orfali Brothers. Apparently, it's some Syrian high level
Mhm.
cuisine. Fuck booked out.
Okay.
जगह ही नहीं है.
Okay.
लंच पे मिलता है.
Wow.
हाँ, 2 हफ्ते तक डिनर है ही
Oh.
नहीं सीन.
Meat moot?
Meat moot. 3 fills.
I've heard a
Yeah,
lot. I
so-
3
haven't-
fills का menu also I saw.
I saw the menu. I didn't
Bro,
get
it's
it.
like gentrified.
It's like small plates.
Yeah.
Very. There's a lot of Japanese stuff in Dubai. Like
Yeah.
every other
Yeah.
Kinoya?
restaurant
Yeah.
is
Kinoya, you go to Kinoya?
Japanese. But this is like Emirati / Japanese.
Yeah.
And I was like,
Yeah.
okay, but it's also like
I
very
knew someone
casual.
who knew someone who worked there,
Acha,
and they didn't get paid apparently.
PCU?
Well,
acha. I went to their Google questions and most things were vacancy. Do you have vacancy? Do you have... क्या हो रही है? But anyway, they seem to have like nice stuff. I think we'll go there वैसे ही. But Indian options are high-end Indian options.
Like?
That one place called Masti. Their menu seems very good. It's like not.
bro, there'll be one Indian family having like an Ambani
What
style wedding
are
over there.
most
I'm
of your
telling
team
you.
members Indian?
3.5, half being me,
You're
but
half-
10 will be Indian.
It's from Karachi.
Yeah, so Baki, you know, and if it's like Mahanga Indian, it'll be international enough, and then
Go- just go to Five Guys.
Bro,
Yes,
OG Asha's jao yaar Indian ke liye. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
The OG
Asha's
fancy
isn't
Indian
that
place.
nice. I've been to
Asha's
Asha's.
does good food. क्या
It's
यार?
alright.
पता नहीं खैर मैं तो रेटिंग के हिसाब से रिवर्स रेटिंग के हिसाब से जाता but I found
Yeah.
some other nice places. There's some like seafood chain, like Emirati seafood chain. They have one in Fahidi as well, like
Al Seef में.
Al Seef mein.
Al
Yeah.
Fanara.
Something. Yeah. Some
or
F
some,
name.
नहीं, not Al
F
Fanara.
सही नहीं
ऐसे ही कुछ है.
but
Yeah,
Al
yeah.
Seef
They're
mein
good.
है. Yeah.
And they do like
Big seafood like platters.
Yeah, pura yeah.
so their menu look
they're
very
good.
interesting.
Yeah.
तो मैंने उनसे कहा था कि भाई
That's a nice setting too.
team dinner होना हो, let's just go here because the other
Yeah.
people, the European people are not interested in malls at all.
Yeah.
तो मैंने कहा अच्छा आपको हम पुराना दुबई दिखा देते हैं उनके लिए वो
Horlands ले जाओ सबको.
Ijaza cafeteria.
Yeah. अरे
अरे रहता था आपको पता है
Horlands जाओ Brothers
Horlands.
Restaurant.
ब्रदर्स
Restaurant Yemeni food के लिए.
Yeah.
Oh.
मंदी पे भी जाना है
हाँ तो मंदी at Brothers. They do mandi. They do
Waka, you know
grills.
Waka?
वाखा भी जा सकते हैं
Waka.
अच्छा
Where are we going?
it is almost 10 p.m. what is your
it's
life
2 hours.
situation do you have to go
No, that's fine.
you have work tomorrow
I work tomorrow.
so when do you have to leave
I'll handle that.
okay don't
I mean,
fall asleep
I will. I'll leave at 12.
don't fall asleep driving like I have done twice in my life
I'm used to it now.
falling asleep
So the first time I moved to Abu Dhabi,
yeah
I struggled a lot. I think for the
with
first
Dubai Abu Dhabi drive
for the first 2 years I struggled a lot. Now I'm alright. Now I know my limits.
because you also have work tomorrow no
Yeah, but I took a nap. That's why, right?
And you don't drink now तो.
you took a what
I took a nap.
oh अभी आने से पहले अच्छा
I don't drink, bro. What the fuck?
took a what you took a drug or something
I took a nap.
खैर अच्छा ठीक है so this is hopefully we do another one
Hopefully.
hopefully उसमें पूरा ऑडियो भी रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा but thank you for coming thank you for listening ख्याल रखिएगा अपना just be nice and okay let's see how this comes out
That's
Yeah.
it.
ठीक है
Dubai.